तमल्ली खलेले 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 खोलनी खू खलेले 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 तू ही जीने का सहारा है तू ही दिल ने पुकारा है.
ओके ओके फाइन. तू भी गाता है क्या? तू भी गाता है क्या? तू भी गा रहा है.
साला अक्खा बॉलीवुड एक तरफ
और इमरान हाशमी एक तरफ.
Bro,
how did that car have nitrous?
bro, NOS.
Because Ranveer Singh wears an expensive watch.
And the fact that जब वो NOS दबाता है, then it's like तमल्ली खलाई वो तब भी करता है.
तमल्ली वो बोलता है, सिर्फ तमल्ली बोलता है. तमल्ली.
Crazy bro.
That also वो इमरान पूछता है कि तू मेरा फैन है ना? Like हाँ मेरा काम करेगा. तमल्ली. We are of course talking about the bads of Bollywood. Also known as the
Bastards of Bollywood.
I don't know why people are beeping the word bastards in every video that we've seen on YouTube.
I'll tell you, उनको लगा था spoiler हो जाएगा bastards.
Oh.
ऐसा तो कोई नहीं सोच रहा.
I still say it's ballads of Bollywood. That was my guess. I thought it was going to be ballad.
Like पता है जब से announcement हुई थी मैं तब से इसको कह रहा हूँ. मैंने कहा नहीं भाई bastards है.
Why would they hide it?
He's like नहीं bro, ballads of Bollywood होगा.
Yeah dude, it's about Bollywood. But then you watch the show and I'm like okay,
the Bastards of Bollywood. अच्छा by the way हाँ spoilers होंगे इसके अंदर. तो नीचे किसी ने कमेंट किया था कि अगर कोई बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर होती है तो उसके स्पॉइलर मत दिया करो. तो ये बहुत अच्छा शो नहीं.
अच्छा ही है.
वो अच्छा
ups and downs.
भाई मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे स्पेशली वीडियो कॉल पे बोल के भेजा तारीफ करनी है शो की.
अच्छा ऐसे
बिकॉज़ शी इज लाइक अपने बच्चे का शो है. मैंने कहा अरे मम्मी
भाई हमारी पैट में पकड़ आ रहे हैं यार. What is this?
I love auntie.
What is this?
मम्मा इज लाइक मैंने कहा भाई मेरा पॉडकास्ट आप पूरा देखते नहीं हो कि ये बोल के कि बहुत लंबा है.
वो शाहरुख के बेटे का पॉडकास्ट है. शाहरुख के बेटे का पॉडकास्ट क्यों देखे? वो तो अपने बेटे की मूवी
बेसिकली आई थिंक आर्यन मस्ट हैव गॉन टू शाहरुख एंड बी लाइक कि पापा मुझे थोड़ी सी बकचोदी कर रही है. ठीक है. एंड देन और बहुत सारे स्टार्स के साथ बकचोदी कर रही है.
Yeah. Who can you get as cameo? Shahrukh was like, I can get this guy, all of them.
भाई उसने आई थिंक कैमियो की उसने शो की भी नहीं बात करी. उसने बोला पापा आओ बकचोदी करते हैं. पापा ने बोला ठीक है ये ले 300 करोड़ रुपए. अब तू पूरे बॉलीवुड के साथ बकचोदी कर.
Dude, this could see.
वो बना दिया.
You know, sometimes they say this movie should have been a show, more interesting show. This show could have easily been a movie very easily.
No, bro, this show was supposed to be a show.
No, it could easily have been a movie if you had wanted it to be. It just the story is.
यार, there is no story.
अच्छा, no, there is a story.
हम लोग आएंगे उस पे बाद में, obviously.
So also, full disclosure, we're talking about Bads of Bollywood. I'm not going to get to Jolly LLB 3, which again, all three of us have seen this week.
There will be two
parts. Both of them came out on the 18th of September. We are recording this on the
19th of September.
On 19th September is when both of those shows and movies released.
Yeah, we went.
18th of September को Bads of Bollywood आया. 19th of September को Jolly LLB 3 आया.
Oh, my bad. And 20th September is when we're recording this.
Yes.
And you're watching it hopefully on 21st September.
If not 21st, then 22nd.
19th September is when Antriksh booked tickets of Jolly LLB 3.
I did. That's
which
true.
we went to watch on 20th, so we had to book another set of tickets.
For the 20th September.
Jolly LLB
Yes,
3.
correct. I booked the wrong day. Rookie mistake. It happens, dude. It happens. It happens to the best of us.
इसका ADHD बढ़ता जा रहा है कि
अपने बच्चे की
तो मैंने जॉली LLB 3 के लिए बहुत महंगा
मुझे भी बहुत
प्राइस पे किया.
कितने की टिकट्स पड़ी तुमने?
हमने 690 twice पे किया.
690 twice
for two people.
For tickets you got ना because two
per
different
person आप लोग को 1400 रुपए की पड़ी.
नहीं, per person 600-700 रुपए पड़े.
Bro, मुझे per person I think 550 की पड़ी dude. मैं वहाँ देख रहा उधर
अंधेरी
प्राइस
340
बहुत
or
ज्यादा
something.
है. हाँ वही कह रहा हूँ. तो आपने जितनी 2 बार में करी उतना मेरा एक बार का प्राइस
Okay,
था.
now I don't feel so bad.
Shit bro.
Yeah, that's fine.
But it was a very good film. Anyway, we'll come to
We'll
that.
get to that.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's good, maybe it's not. Watch till the end to find out.
But before we get
But
into
it's all right. Yes,
but before we get into Bads of Bollywood and Jolly LLB 3, as promised last week, in the last episode that we'll be doing. आधे घंटे से हम प्रेप कर रहे हैं, नाम लिख रहे हैं.
I forgot at what point in the episode we'll get to this.
ठीक है. So as promised, we are gonna be choosing 2 lucky winners, one from the caramel tier membership and one from the salted tier membership. तो randomization tool के साथ हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं. 2 tiers हैं, salted and caramel. salted में है 7 members, caramel में है 15 members. और क्या बताना था. हाँ, salted का जो विनर होगा उसको हम एक मूवी टिकट स्पॉन्सर करेंगे और caramel का जो विनर होगा उसको हम कपल मूवी टिकट स्पॉन्सर करेंगे. एंड उस विनर का 1 मिनट मूवी रिव्यू, जो भी उसने मूवी देखी है, जो भी मूवी वो देखना चाहेगा, जिसको भी हम लोग स्पॉन्सर करेंगे जिस भी मूवी के लिए, उसका 60 सेकंड रिव्यू हम अपने अगले एपिसोड के एंड में डालेंगे, अगर वो मूवी तब तक रिलीज होगी, मतलब जब भी वो मूवी का रिव्यू हमें भेजता है. एंड दिस इज द विनर्स चॉइस कि अगर वो फीचर होना चाहता है या नहीं.
ये हम हर हफ्ते करने वाला है ना.
नहीं, हर 2 हफ्ते में एक बार.
चलो ठीक है.
हर 2 हफ्ते में.
It's expensive, dude.
हर
No,
2
it's
हफ्ते
all
में
good.
एक बार. And there was this one person, Zahira, who commented. She's a Caramel tier member, and she messaged. She's like, दोस्तों हम में से कुछ इंटरनेशनल मेंबर्स भी हैं, तो अगर आप हमारी
टिकट्स तो नहीं खरीद पाएंगे भाई. सर
तो शी वाज लाइक कि थोड़ी एक्सपेंसिव हो जाएंगी, बट वी नो दैट वी वॉट यू कवर्ड. हम आपका we'll find a way to get the payment to you, whichever movie you want, and we'll sponsor that if you win, of course.
we'll give you a movie ticket when you come to India. I think that's the way to go. You come to India, then we'll give. No,
we'll find a way.
Okay.
We'll give you flight tickets to India and then.
ये तो एक एपिसोड करके चली जाएगी.
Nice. Okay, let's go. I have this randomizer here. Okay, I fed in all the names, and it's a spin the wheel.
Oh, do we take names? Do we announce the names or just do we like spin the names? क्योंकि कैरमल के तो बहुत सारे हैं फिर.
No, we just spin the names. You'll see it somewhere on the screen. You're seeing it.
Yes.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Salted caramel. And
Salted caramel नहीं, सिर्फ salted.
sorry, salted popcorn. This one. And the winner is
Hiren Soda. Bro, सोडा वाला प्रोडक्शंस का मालिक तो नहीं है.
Hiren Soda wala. Bro, also a lot of Powai is featured, man.
भाई आपका इतना
I
ठीक
love
है ना
Powai.
पवाई. भाई he legit
Powai is
called
awesome.
me and he's like, bro बहुत चीजें पवाई में शूट हुई है.
Powai, bro. अपना area, bro.
पवाई represent
You're in
बम्बई
my area,
70.
bro. Must.
ठीक है, कौन है? हिरेन सोडा.
Hiren
Bro,
Soda.
हिरेन सोडा.
Hey, wasn't that a famous ad? Monster.com or Naukri.com ka?
Yes, when I was Sadu.
Sadu.
S for
H for hi.
S for
I for Indian. R for rascal.
मैं तो कहता हूँ
Hi
पुरुष ही नहीं
Indian
है.
rascal. Entertainment new is Hiren. Okay, fine. Let's avoid that.
ठीक है. Hiren, do connect with us on Instagram. Drop in the comment, like नहीं Instagram पे करो. SNAYHIL. अगर मुझसे कनेक्ट करना है तो अगर फिल्मी कोलाडा के ऑफिशियल इंस्टाग्राम पे भी DM कर सकते हो. That is @filmy colada and I am @snehil. And now for the big one.
The caramel popcorn tier
भाई
for 2
बहुत
movie tickets
and a feature. बहुत सारे नाम bro.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. So many names. So many names. And जननी आकाश. जननी आकाश.
ये आकाश जननी है कि जननी आकाश है?
Oh, मैंने तो जननी आकाश लिखा है. We'll figure it out.
We'll
Whoever
figure
you
it
are.
जननी आकाश bro.
What's in a name?
और हाँ मतलब whoever you are, please connect. Yes.
Congratulations, you have
Congra-
won. So the first one was, who won the first one?
Hiren Soda.
Hiren Soda and Janani Akash are the 2 big winners
Yes.
for this lucky draw.
Please,
of movie
please,
tickets.
please connect with us on Instagram. As I said, the handle is @snehil SNAYHIL. बहुत सारे लोग अभी तक comments में SNEHIL लिखते हैं for some reason, which is fine. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Is
But Instagram पे अगर connect करना है तो उसके लिए
You're
आपको
clearly
सही
butthurt about it.
नहीं उसके लिए
Look
आपको
bothered.
उसके लिए आपको सही स्पेलिंग लिखने पड़ेंगे, which is @SNAYHIL. Otherwise @filmy colada FILMYCOLADA.
Okay. Welcome guys to this. I know a lot of you may have fast forwarded through that.
हाँ क्योंकि
whole
जो लोग
section.
members नहीं है उनको क्या ही फर्क
हाँ,
पड़ता है.
क्या ही
yes.
फर्क पड़ता है.
मैं बन जाओ यार
become a member,
member.
please. Yes.
हाँ.
बन जाओ फिर फर्क पड़ेगा.
हाँ. Let's get to it, guys. The main of the episode.
Before we
bags.
just a last line. Congratulations to both the winners. These people will go down in the history as the first ever winners of
Yeah.
Filmy Colada.
Yeah.
Yes.
They
Yeah.
popped our virginity.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, cut that. What the fuck? Why did I get awkward, dude?
They popped our.
Yeah.
Fair. ठीक है.
But these 2 versions, I tell you.
Let's talk about Bads of Bollywood.
Bads of Bollywood fucking fuck fuck you fucking bastard fuck. There was a lot of that.
ऐसा लग रहा था उसके डायलॉग्स रघु राजीव ने लिखे
Yeah,
हैं.
correct, dude. Like, dude, so many unnecessary fucks and fuckings and
random
abuses just thrown there. Like, I thought, they kept forgetting कि हमने अभी तो पिछले सीन में 50 यूज किए हैं. We don't need in every scene, we don't need.
भाई there's this towards the end वो वाला सीन नहीं है जब राघव जुयाल उसका मास्क पहन के अपने ऊपर पानी डालता है ये बोल भाई उसमें जो वो नीचे बंदा खड़ा होता है
correct.
मैंने कहा भाई तू सेंटेंस में वर्ड कम बोल रहा है गालियां ही बोले जा रहा है.
I wonder if this is what Aryan Khan thinks normal people talk like.
No, I think this is what Aryan has heard as
his
kid
normal
growing
talk.
up.
So पता है मैं
Because Shahrukh गालियां देता है clearly, अभी
This is what Aryan Khan's household is, dude.
हम वानखेड़े का ऑडियो सुन चुके हैं तो we know what goes on.
Dude, overall, let's talk about let's
show, yes.
break it down, right?
Yes.
What did you overall think? What were your first thoughts? Were you expecting it to be what it ended up being for you? And all of us will go.
Okay. So I'll tell you. पहले तो ट्रेलर वगैरह से मुझे लगा था कि जैसा हम लोग पहले हमने एपिसोड में भी हम ये कहते थे कि शायद लक बाय चांस सॉर्ट ऑफ अ सिचुएशन या लक बाय चांस रूट ले वो लोग.
Sure, yeah.
But luck by chance is too layered, too serious, too actual of a film. I think.
This one though didn't take it seriously at all.
Exactly.
Even where it should have.
मतलब it could have. Like there were two ways. There were two routes always. They took this because I think इससे ना पता मुझे क्या लग रहा था कि this was a fan service like this show. So there's this thing called fan service, right? Where whatever fans
want to
quote
see.
unquote believe, want to see, you just feed into that.
But it's not fan service.
Bro, I think
it's more meta than
bro.
fan
So
service. Meta.
It
fan
is
service meta
man.
in a way,
Yeah, it is fan service. See, there were so many little things जो I think उन्होंने it's not even meta. यार meta पता है क्या होता है जब तुम like चलो यार फैन सर्विस का मैं आपको एग्जांपल्स देता हूँ.
Meta is like kind of breaking, like it's like
Breaking
a
the
nod,
fourth wall
but
of
kind
sort.
of not also. You know, like it's like nod
ठीक है.
to the audience,
exactly.
kind of.
हाँ, just a nod, right?
Yeah, it's like
But ये I am saying कि ये फैन सर्विस इसलिए है because they played right into it. Like all the jokes, all the cameos, all the references are just fan service. मैं बताता हूँ कैसे.
like you're like how we want, how we think of these people to be.
Yeah, it's just that. Like जब करण जौहर से कोई बात हो रही है तो he's like
movie mafia bitches.
हाँ don't mess with the movie
Bhosri
mafia.
ke madachod, I'll kill you. Oh sorry.
Exactly.
Ajay Talwar's daughter.
I think Aryan Khan is on Reddit a lot and he's like कि ये लोग इतने gossip बना रहे हैं मैं इससे
इन
ही
सब
movie बना
gossips
देता
को movie बना देता हूँ.
कि मैं
हाँ.
इनको बोलता हूँ हाँ यही हो रहा है
यही
तुम
होता
सही
है.
सोच रहे हो.
Yeah,
But
that's
it's
a
more
good
like
one,
doing
yeah.
what you know. I think he's a star kid. He's been around these people. He knows the industry. Of course, this is not how the industry is, or it may be. We don't know. But he knows the arena, right? And he's
Yeah.
completely utilized that to deliver something which is non-serious and just a fun watch.
Very smart move. Very smart
extremely.
move. Very extremely smart
Dude,
move.
if he had like I think we talked about this. If he had gone down the regular star kid route, मेरे को actor बनना है, right? Endless comparison to his father.
Endless.
Also Shahrukh in his very early in his career वो like फाड़ने लगा था, you know.
भाई very early क्या दूसरी फिल्म दूसरी
Exactly.
तीसरी पिक्चर
Like, exactly, he got
दीवाना
noticed.
in itself was a fucking rage.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Film,
Exactly.
yeah.
So
पहली picture,
that's an impossible standard to match up to for anyone, dude.
That is true.
Yeah.
And the thing is अगर वो acting route ना भी लेता
Yeah.
अगर वो डायरेक्शन रूट ही लेता और डायरेक्शन रूट में भी अपने आप को ऐसा सीरियस डायरेक्टर बताने का ट्राई करता ना जैसा
Yeah,
मतलब
correct.
फॉर द लाइक्स ऑफ द बिगीज लाइक अनुराग कश्यप हो गया विशाल भारद्वाज हो गया एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा टू लाइक अपने आप को ऐसा कि भाई मैं सीरियस कंटेंट
Correct.
बना के
Yeah.
लेयर्ड एकदम विशाल भारद्वाज के जैसा शेक्सपियरन सिनेमा
कुछ जैसा
बना दूंगा
वो नहीं है।
तो पता है क्या होता फिर वो ये होता कि ओ ही इज ट्राइंग टू हार्ड सॉर्ट
Too
ऑफ
hard, yeah,
सिचुएशन
correct, yeah.
this was such a genius move
Dude,
on his end
exactly, dude,
because
correct.
again
He got to address and make fun of
Everything,
everything that happened to him, going to jail. That inspector, they talked about that inspector,
fuck,
dude.
bro.
The
And
NCB, what was the organization? NCP or something. they made it. NBC, I don't know, something they made it.
Movie
NCB.
They made something.
ऐसे कुछ तो हाँ. In the movie,
नहीं, NCB
is the real one.
हाँ.
I think whatever they made it.
हाँ, in the movie, मुझे
yeah.
याद नहीं आ रहा.
या और तुम बॉलीवुड से हो? नहीं सर,
हाँ.
मैं तो बॉलीवुड से नहीं हूँ.
हाँ,
पर
but
वो
वो बॉलीवुड से है.
इसको लेके.
So funny.
भाई वो बंदा भी वैसा ले आया जो उसकी जैसा दिखता है.
We talked about this, like that inspector,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
But again ना, that's what. So यहाँ पे again
Sachin something is the inspector's name. by the way.
Wankhede.
Samir.
Samir Wankhede.
Samir Wankhede,
Wankhede,
yeah,
yeah.
Sachin Wankhede.
But the see, I'll tell you, this is where
I was like, Sachin, there's some Wankhede cricket connection somehow.
the thing is कि यहाँ पे अब जैसे उन लोग so again power move of course
For
It's
sure,
तेरा
100%.
तेरा टाइम तब था अब मेरा टाइम है
हाँ,
ठीक
मैं
है
दिखाऊंगा, bro.
अब मैं दिखाऊंगा तेरे को and again a very fun cheeky way to go about it जब वो सोडा वाला मुड़ता है like and remember say no to drugs directed by Aryan Khan.
Aryan Khan, yeah, correct.
Dude, it was so cheeky and it
Dude,
was
also,
right
I
there.
like that even like he got some digs at himself, not digs like things people say about him
हाँ,
also
कि
about this.
don't act like Aryan.
Don't done that Shania Kapoor on the
Yeah.
red carpet
So
thing.
funny.
Yeah. Oh, don't be like Aryan.
Don't
Smile
be
a
like
little.
Aryan, smile a little.
Yeah, something like that.
But again, see, a lot of people. I was speaking to a friend actually, and she was like, "Ki, bro, it's such a brain rot. This does not make sense." And का जो twist था, that
So,
also
yeah,
never made sense.
I do have.
And I completely agree with that.
They will get to the twist later.
हाँ, we'll get to the twist.
Yeah.
I'm just saying कि जो मैंने आसपास लोगों से भी बात करी, like a lot of people have sort of a mixed reaction.
Yeah,
But tending towards, like leaning towards like a कि oh it was brain rot, bro, chill the
Correct.
fuck out.
हाँ,
So
correct.
what I would say is, sorry,
नहीं, go ahead.
what I would say is that this is not the greatest show. Okay,
Sure.
For
it's a
sure.
fun time pass watch, but it's also a one time watch. It's also could be considered a second screen watch. It's not like one that you
Bro,
can't be second screen.
It is a second screen watch.
Yeah.
It is.
And I think that is see I'll tell you I think हम लोगों ने अपने माइंड में ये शो इतना बड़ा बना रखा था कि शाहरुख का बेटा but this is the more I am sitting on the show the more I am realizing कि it was such a master move on his end.
For sure.
It was such a master move.
It's like a show reel that I can do. See, dude, there's a random car chase scene and like a high octane car chase scene with like
Yeah.
nitrous and all in the show. That doesn't have any place in this
In
show.
the show, yeah.
But it's there for Aryan to be able to say, yeah, देखो मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ. मेरे को action भी direct करना आता है
Yeah.
because of the stunt work and action
Oh,
sequences.
that was very good actually.
That was pretty
बहुत
fun.
अच्छा लगा
Yeah,
bro.
pretty fun.
जो end में
Dude,
Bobby
and
और
I
उसका
also
fight है.
liked, like because it's Red Series and they can show off these
The
things when they
VFX.
want to. Yeah, the VFX, some of it.
Yeah.
I mean, the car chase scene VFX was, I think, to an extent, purposely bad to make it comically.
I guess so.
Extra
But again,
surreal, because it was
By
bad.
bad? How? What do you mean by bad?
That wasn't good CGI. The car chase scene was very bad CGI.
Oh, was it?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
I don't
like,
know.
I don't know, I
Maybe
noticed.
I was on the second screen.
Yeah, very possibly. So I knew.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like in the beginning, right, when Arya,
Oh, yeah.
Asman is like, oh no, I'll do this. The very opening.
Yeah.
I'll do
Yeah.
the stunt, and then they pause while he's jumping, and then they change the entire.
Yeah.
The thing that was.
ऊपर
Great
से
opening.
कितना डियावोल
Great
का
opening.
ब्रांडिंग बे
हाँ?
कितना डियावोल का ब्रांडिंग
किसका?
डियावोल
Diavol is
the
Yeah, of course.
alcohol
Yeah,
brand
correct,
है।
too much, too
कितना
much, correct, yeah.
कितना
बट वो
सब
दारू का प्रमोशन नहीं कर रहे, वो बॉटल के ड्यूरेबल होने का प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं. क्या स्टैनली कप है क्या भाई? क्या
हाँ,
है ये
correct,
सब?
correct.
ब्रो पीछे डियावोल जब वो CGI चेंज होता है तो
Yeah.
पीछे डियावोल का
Dude,
ब्रांडिंग था
I actually forgot to notice this.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Because I forgot that he had an alcohol brand. So
Oh.
I just didn't notice it the entire
या
show.
सो
I
पीछे डियावोल फिर ठीक है फिर उसके बाद जब वो
Fight sequence में full bottle
ड्राई
फेंक के
हाँ
मार
ठीक
रहे
है
हैं, they are
फिर
all
उसके
seeing.
बाद आपका जब वो सक्सेस पार्टी होता है तो सक्सेस पार्टी पे डियावोल का ब्रांडिंग है
Yeah, correct,
ठीक है
that's
फिर
true.
उसके
A
बाद
lot of- yeah.
जब द मेन लीड द स्टार किड द नेपो गर्ल is drinking herself
Ajay Talwar's daughter.
Ajay Talwar's daughter
Oh, वो भी Diavol.
she's
Oh.
drinking Diavol
Yes.
सोडा वाला का कंपनी बंद हो रहा है he's drinking Diavol like भाई
Bro. So okay, so
it's also it's a fucking क्या कहते हैं इट शोज कि मुझे पता है डाबल का बॉटल कैसा दिखता है, क्योंकि मैं अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता, मैं बस देख ही रहा हूँ।
बट जब इस शो का अनाउंसमेंट हुआ था और मुझे पता चला आर्यन खान डायरेक्ट कर रहा है और फिल्म स्कूल पढ़ के आया है, लिख भी रहा है, और
no, but I said writer credits are 2 other people also.
yeah, sure, he's a
we'll put the names.
तभी created by लिखा है शायद,
created and directed by.
और वो हमेशा सीरियस रहता है पैप्स के सामने, तो आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि ये तो कोई बहुत ही इंटेंस क्रिस्टोफर नोलन वाला काम करने वाला है कि मैं फिल्म स्कूल से स्टडी करके आया हूँ तो मैं कुछ इंटेंस बनाऊंगा, तो ये मेरे को लगा था पहले जब सिर्फ अनाउंसमेंट हुई थी,
before anything was
before
revealed.
even the name was announced,
or the teaser came out or something
nothing, just कि something he is directing.
Sure,
right?
yeah, sure.
फिर ट्रेलर आया, वो उस थॉट से भी मैं वैसे खुश नहीं थी, मैं बोला काय को मतलब रिलैक्स, तुम अभी पैदा हो, रिलैक्स, क्या एक्सपीरियंस है लाइफ का कि तुम इंटेंस कुछ डायरेक्ट करोगे, आई अज्यूम्ड. देन द ट्रेलर केम, टीजर केम, एंड मैंने बोला ओह शिट, ये तो क्रिंज है, ये तो बस एंटरटेनर क्रिंज है, ये नेटफ्लिक्स फिल्टर है इसके ऊपर, सब अच्छे दिख रहे हैं और बस ये कुछ शिट सा है, और मैं बिल्कुल भी लुक फॉरवर्ड नहीं करी थी इवन आफ्टर द ट्रेलर. आई न्यू कि उसके पास एक्सेस है टू ऑल द स्टार्स, तो ही इज यूजिंग दैट एंड व्हाटएवर, बट इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी गुड.
Yeah, sure.
दैट वाज माय अजम्पशन, बट आई वॉच द होल थिंग इन वन सिटिंग.
Yeah.
बीच के 2-3 एपिसोड छोड़ के आई वॉज हुक्ड ऑल्सो कि मेरे को देखना है अभी, नेक्स्ट क्या है, खत्म करो, बता दो क्या है, वैसे करके. तो मतलब आई एम सरप्राइज्ड, इट्स अ प्लेजेंट सरप्राइज. इट्स नॉट द ग्रेटेस्ट शो अगेन, यस, बट फॉर हिम टू मेक दिस चॉइस, इट्स सो स्मार्ट, इट्स सो डैम स्मार्ट.
What an entry.
ये स्मार्टनेस वो शाहरुख को स्क्रिप्ट चूज करने में भी थे थोड़ी सी, तो
and also
भाई I think bro I genuinely think that Shahrukh obviously had the biggest role to play,
of course,
and I think this time they were extra cautious after what happened with Suhana's debut. Like I feel they were like ki I will not leave a single stone unturned, because anyway Aryan's entry into the industry came with a lot of backstory, came with a lot of controversies and a lot of that. ठीक है, तो I think इसके लिए they made the perfect choice to show that कि भाई ये सीरियस इमेज जो कभी हंसती नहीं है can make something like or makes something like so non-serious, so like not a single scene takes itself seriously.
None.
Not a single frame takes itself very seriously.
Sometimes to a detriment of the show.
I mean, no,
No, I think so.
it's a choice,
See,
and
what
it's
I
a
would
good
say,
choice.
what I would say, okay? Again, like same. Towards as the show got nearer to its release, I was quite excited for the show.
All of us were,
because
yeah.
because the snippets had been fun. It had been quirky. It had been that meta humor that a lot of us like. And it's about in the industry.
Yeah.
So anyone who's like kind of wakif about what is happening in the industry.
Wakif.
But then I said the rest of the sentence in English. So
ठीक है, it's fine.
Hindustan. Do with that what you will. But so so those things got me excited. I would say that when I saw the show, yes, opening and all was great. Okay, and every part where they are sticking, every portion or every segment in the show where they're sticking with what's happening in the industry, they're making fun of the industry, the meta moments, all that, like industry talk, Karan Johar saying, "Acha, you fucking get a contract, shit sorted," all that, the whole contract scenario. Okay, will Freddie let him go from the contract or not? All that was very interesting to me.
You realize the reference, right? The 3-film exclusive contract.
Of course. That's Aditya.
Yeah, that's Aditya. Yes,
of course. But where it started falling apart for me, the show, or falling apart, chal theek hai, it became not as interesting, or like I started finding a lot of faults when it became all the things that was talk making fun of. It became went straight into that whole Bollywood thing of love story, मैं इससे इतना प्यार करता हूँ, ये तो मेरी होके रहेगी, all that, like breaking into her house to like this thing that became so Bollywood, regular Bollywood. When you're trying to literally the entire show, it felt like a sudden tonal shift in like the last 2 episodes or so. Yeah, to me. Before that it was all like very good and it was all fun.
Like okay, I will agree कि मैंने आखिरी के 2 एपिसोड जो थे वो मैंने थोड़ा बीच में 1.5x किए, because I was like this is not affecting the story in any way. Like we can fucking move on from this.
Yeah.
But then again, for the most part of it, I was like I was just laughing for the most part of it.
Oh, yeah.
I had a
I
smile.
did laugh quite a bit, yeah.
I did laugh, and bro, that fucking
Raghav Joyal, fucking
Raghav Joyal,
genius.
dude, fucking
Who was
amazing.
standouts for you? Raghav
ball.
Joel, Manoj Pawar, right?
Oh yeah, for sure,
me.
for sure.
Manoj
And
Pawar,
I
yes.
really like the manager also for some reason.
Manager was nice.
Yeah, she was very
nice.
good.
What
She was good.
Oh,
The-
actually,
Yeah, she had a.
the manager and the Nepo kid Isha Talwar were too similar. Bhai,
Isha
Like
Talwar?
looking, similar looking.
वो जो लड़की थी
The
यार,
Nepo
Oh,
the
अच्छा,
daughter,
अच्छा,
yeah.
अच्छा, 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 that way,
Yeah,
हाँ,
they
Ajay
were
Talwar's
too
daughter.
similar looking यार. कुछ तो
I mean-
distinction रखो ऐसा.
To some extent.
नहीं,
To some
नहीं,
extent.
different थे यार.
Please, no. They looked very similar.
क्या they didn't look similar.
Maybe Aryan has a type. You don't know.
I yeah, पता नहीं bro, मतलब I तो found like it very good.
Yeah, no.
You two acted very good. Yeah, you found it very good. Yeah, you found the both of them very good. Is that it? Straight?
अब्बास की कमी पूरी करते
हल्का,
हैं
हल्का।
अरे नहीं भाई
एकदम
very
हल्का।
good. Manager very good.
Dude, also, what I was really surprised by is how many soundtracks I really liked from the show. एक तो Gaffu is fucking awesome.
Bro,
dude.
they've released an entire
Dude,
song.
they did.
You saw with Tamanna Bhatia.
Tamanna
yeah.
Bhatia and
Yeah.
Shakti Kapoor and Gulshan
I-
Grover and all.
Oh fuck, I haven't
And,
seen the
uh,
video.
there's Shakti Kapoor,
मैंने सिर्फ ऑडियो सुना है, बहुत मस्त है.
Gulshan
अच्छा।
Grover,
हाँ, मैंने वीडियो नहीं
अच्छा।
देखा.
Shakti Kapoor, Gulshan Grover, and who's the other third villain?
Famous dude.
yeah, all famous
Ranjit?
villains.
नहीं.
Yeah, I think
Ranjit, right? Ranjit,
yeah,
yeah.
Baba Ranjit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh nice.
Gaffoor!
Crazy,
क्या Kapoor
बहुत
है,
अच्छा
he
था वो,
shoots it.
बहुत अच्छा
And
था,
then
dude.
Arshad also was pretty good in like
Pretty good,
that,
pretty
like two
good,
scenes
yeah.
that he was in.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
And I also like I don't know, like, okay, we are talking about a lot of plot points without actually describing what the show is about. What is the basic
But
plot?
what is the show about? शो का
Yeah,
एक
it's
लाइन का
about
प्रेमिस है.
nothing.
बेसिकली एक बंदा है, एक लड़का है जो बाहर से एक्टर बनने आया है.
His name is
उसको-
Asma.
उसका नाम आसमा है.
क्योंकि
उसके
सितारे तो बहुत है. आसमान
पर
सिर्फ
आसमा
एक.
सिर्फ एक है. तो उसको बेसिकली एक मूवी मिल जाती है जो सुपर हिट हो जाती है. एंड देन
मूवी का नाम क्या था?
रिवॉल्वर.
रिवॉल्वर.
तो मूवी सुपर
रिवॉल्वर इधर आ.
हाँ, तो मूवी सुपर हिट होने के बाद अब वो इंडस्ट्री में नाउ ही इज लाइक अ नोन नेम एज वेल, बट उतना एक ही पिक्चर पुराना है और आउटसाइडर है. तो हाउ ही नेविगेट्स
he's trying to navigate, yeah.
इवेंट्स इन द इंडस्ट्री, उसके ऊपर है ये पूरा शो.
And he has some supporting characters like his best friend, his manager,
show
his
यही है.
family, friends and family.
शो यही है बस.
Yeah.
हाँ, इतना ही
Yeah.
है.
So that song was good again, and then that Manoj Pawar Badshah song. देखे
घंटे का
तेनू
बादशाह
क्या
patch.
पता
हाँ.
इरादा था
क्या
मेरा,
मेरा.
something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking great. That was good. Very well done. That was fun. Then there's another very good song. The Halka Halka is a good song. I think you
And the sad
really
song
played.
was also nice-ish.
Which one was the sad
जब
song?
भी वो
इतना तो मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया भाई.
जब
मैं
भी
तो
वो
बस
she sees him kissing another girl and
जोक्स
gets
और
back in
कैमियोस,
the
जोक्स और
car.
कैमियोस पे ही ध्यान दे रहा था मैं.
We
mostly.
come to again the twist at the end. Okay.
वो एपिसोड के भी
Yeah.
एपिसोड मतलब इस कॉन्वर्सेशन के भी एंड में ही
End में ही
बात
बात
करेंगे
करेंगे, because-
बिकॉज़ आई
yeah.
रियली डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट ट्विस्ट दैट मच.
We'll talk about
Fucking
it.
stupid.
Oh no, I'm expecting a lot of Abbas comments.
I swear.
I wonder what Abbas will think about that twist.
ब्रो एक्चुअली अब्बास साला फोन भी उठाता है ना एक तो आराम है.
Okay, so then, okay, so I have so much written down. Okay, what's the strongest cast for you?
Bro, I think
Raghav.
Raghav, only for sure.
let's start with the cameos.
Let's start with the cameos. Okay, that's good.
I think that's the
good.
most interesting bit.
That's good.
Like it's been 35 minutes we haven't talked about the cameos. We'll talk about all cameos. If you've not, almost सारे cameos they've released in the trailer.
Yeah, they
एक
have.
दो ही cameo हैं जो
sure.
release
No,
नहीं
छोटे
किए
मोटे
थे.
हो जो,
हाँ.
I say
But-
like nobody wants to know if Saif's kids are in the show or not.
हाँ,
They are.
they
for
are.
like a-
That was funny also.
but did you watch? Okay, I don't know if you want to keep this or not. But you know about Ibrahim Ali Khan's very
Lisp.
strong lisp.
Yeah.
You know, on the show.
On the show also he had
He had a
have
lisp.
lisp.
Yeah, they did it with the lisp.
yeah.
Dude, he's kept. Have you seen his Rogn ad?
No, he's
No,
kept the
I have
lisp.
not.
Bro, it's about this कि भाई बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो ऐसे 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 होते
Good
हैं.
then, good.
Oh, okay, that's
the
good.
Yeah,
best
he's
move.
owning it.
Oh, that's
Own
awesome.
it.
I didn't know that.
It's good.
But
He's
then
owning
with
it.
Nadania, I didn't own it. No.
यार it's fine.
That must have been PR, no?
हाँ,
Then
तब
to told him
नया
to.
नया है ना यार, ठीक है.
Actually,
सीख रहे हैं.
Nadania ही नहीं own करनी चाहिए.
हाँ, सीख रहा है. It's fine. It's okay.
Nobody wants to own it. Okay, so cameos then. First was
Yeah, everybody tells the best and worst
Yeah,
cameos
हाँ,
according
like,
to
let's
them.
not talk about all the cameos,
Yeah,
but like
yeah.
talk about best cameo, worst cameo, special mention cameo.
Yeah,
Sure,
done.
sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
chalo, Antarish
so
bhai,
for
start.
me the best cameo. I mean,
There's only one right
so
answer.
see,
Antarish.
everyone will say Imran Hashmi. Everyone will say Imran Hashmi.
Yeah, because that is the red answer.
No, but I think
You
Imran was good. I think like
Imran is my special mention.
the funnier cameo was Rajamouli and Amir Khan discussing idli and vada pav in like the most artistic way. It was very funny.
Bro, that's I think my worst cameo.
What are you saying? Not
Bro,
worst.
I
और कौन कौन था मेरे याद ही नहीं आ रहा अभी.
Okay, तुम बताओ अपना.
शाहरुख मस्त था यार. शाहरुख
तुम अपना बेस्ट कैमियो बताओ,
Best
वर्स्ट बताओ,
was
स्पेशल मेंशन बताओ.
mention.
Oh, okay. Actually, you know, my favorite cameo would be either Shah Rukh or Ranveer. And I think Imran was very good, but that would be like a second. Because Imran also, like, I saw that one coming, you know, in a way.
How?
Because he says कि
God है इमरान हाशमी.
अक्खा बॉलीवुड एक तरफ ये इमरान हाशमी एक तरफ. They have a connect. I'm sure Imran shows up at some point in the show, and that'll be the payoff for that character.
Okay, fuck off.
That'll be the payoff for that character. Sorry, man. But yeah, Ranveer, Shah Rukh, and the worst cameo was the unimportant ones, dude. Like somewhat just like the Sara Ali Khan and this one, the Shanaya Kapoor was okay because she got an Aryan joke to say.
Yeah.
That's okay. I mean, the Bollywood wives didn't have to be there at all. That made no sense.
But they had like a good punchline, no? Like,
Yeah.
but
What was it?
beach और bitch में फर्क तो होता है.
It was a good punchline.
Fair. Yeah. इतना कोई खराब cameo नहीं था.
I have an answer.
Okay.
Even I have an answer.
What is your best
So
cameo?
my best cameo would be Shah Rukh because of course Shah Rukh is Shah Rukh.
और घंटे के बाद
He
से.
looks
मतलब
great.
अपना बायस हटा के बोलो ना यार.
बायस नहीं हटेगा मेरा क्योंकि मेरा दिल शाहरुख के बट वो एक तो ही इज लुकिंग ग्रेट फर्स्टली
Oh, that face touch up has done wonders.
एंड
मतलब उसका
आल्सो
चेहरा छोटा लग रहा था उस टचअप में जब वो क्लीन शेव करके आता है.
हाँ, correct, right, yeah, correct.
फनी भी है क्योंकि वो बादशाह बोलता है और वो बोलता है बादशाह भाड़ हो जाए बादशाह और ही
And then-
loses
and
his shit and then his
Throwback to his Filmfare hosting days. Where he was hosting us
Yeah.
awards.
and the his interaction with Jalaj after the
Oh, Saxena.
Yeah.
was
Oh.
so
Dude, also
funny.
great character.
Great character.
Great
So
character.
funny.
Yeah.
I love
अब
that.
पहचाना.
हाँ.
हाँ मुझे पहचाना क्या आंखें देखा है मैंने पहचाना
Dude, also like so apt because everyone says that about Shah Rukh. He remembers people.
Yeah.
Okay, like he's very attentive and all. They say that about Shah Rukh.
yeah so Shah Rukh the best special mention Imran though Imran my cameo is also like
Tamalliwa.
too good because
भाई I love पता है जब like उस सीन में तमल्ली मला में
वो एक single tear first
आई एम
is
सो
hilarious.
सॉरी मैंने बीच में
That's
काट
okay.
दिया. हाँ मैं उस तमल्ली वाले में जब वो गाना गाता है एंड गाना गाने के बाद वो आई लव द ट्रेजेक्ट्री
and everyone's reactions
भाई द ट्रेजेक्ट्री इसकी पहले वो इमोशनल हो रहा है फिर उसके बाद वो गाना स्टार्ट करता है एंड देन तमल्ली तक ही इज पीक्ड हिज एक्साइटमेंट एंड देन जैसे ही तमल्ली खत्म होता है देन ही स्टार्ट्स टू तू ही जी ने
Yeah, very funny.
that is so apt dude.
By the way, now that you've talked about
Yeah.
this Goa sequence, this happens in Goa, by the way, on the show.
गोवा सीक्वेंस के बारे में बात नहीं किया कैमियो के बारे में बात किया पहले उसको खत्म करने दो
चलो ठीक है, go ahead. Finish it. I'll come to my Goa sequence.
because you're wearing a Goa shirt हाँ just because of that
I'll come to it, guys. Relax.
तो इमरान कैमियो बेस्ट बिकॉज जो फैंडम दिखाई है उसके दिल में इमरान के लिए वो मैं समझती हूँ वो क्योंकि इमरान के गाने लेजेंडरी है कोई बीट नहीं कर सकता इमरान के
इमरान का सबका एक अंडर करंट वाला फैंडम है जो सबका कांस्टेंट है
यार हाँ तो इमरान कैमियो वाज ग्रेट आल्सो अनदर कैमियो आई लव्ड मेरा बायस भी है क्योंकि मुझे रणवीर इतना प्यारा लगा उसके कैमियो में
रणवीर सिंह नो या दैट्स माय
Why did he have a leg brace though? Was he actually injured in real life?
maybe he was
did you miss the joke
No,
or
no,
what?
no.
I
He
forgot.
said वो लंगड़ा है और वो डेट्स नहीं दे पाएगा करण
Oh,
जौहर की क्योंकि वो
okay,
राजा
okay.
मौली की
Right,
मूवी
right,
करते हैं
movie
एंड देन
करना
वो
चाहे.
पीछे जाके चलने लगता
हाँ,
है
correct,
तभी तो वो उससे
That's
वीडियो
right.
डिलीट करवाता है
और लवली द इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन राघव एंड रणवीर वाज आल्सो वेरी फनी
वेरी फनी वेरी
सो आई लाइक दैट कैमियो वो कैमियो हुआ ना जब वो फर्स्ट एपिसोड में था उस कैमियो के बाद आई वाज एक्चुअली इन द शो आई वाज लाइक ओके नाउ आई एम वाचिंग
true I agree
and the shittiest cameo what the fuck Aryan Khan why did you do Salman Khan wrong
Yeah,
it was
sure.
such a bullshit cameo
That was a bullshit party. He got to say
at a
bullshit.
bullshit party it was a bullshit cameo उसको कुछ भी लाइन नहीं दी
एक लाइन दिया ना कि
हाँ, वो तो नीचे करना था
कि-
शादी.
हाँ, नहीं कह रहा बाप ना बन जाऊं उसी का तो डर है
क्या था वो
Yeah, see, I get it.
That's a good one. That's a good
That's
bad
a good one.
Good bad one.
एक
Yeah.
शाहरुख सलमान को ही साथ में दिखा देते तो पैसा
Correct.
वसूल हो
पैसा
जाता
वसूल. I was
था
actually hoping that all the
All
three
three.
Khans will
Yeah.
share a screen.
Oh, season 2.
if anyone could have done it it would
It-
be
it-
you.
it- yeah, it would be
was
you.
you. So yeah, that's
Yeah.
my list.
But so
अच्छा तेरा नहीं हुआ अभी तक सॉरी बोलना भाई तूने बोल दिया इमरान कितने 50,000 बोलेगा क्या
so इमरान of
हाँ.
course first best. ठीक है क्योंकि साला अक्खा बॉलीवुड एक तरफ इमरान हाशमी एक तरफ Imran was the best. Special mention Ranveer Singh. The two callbacks that they did, one to the Rocky Rani thing. कौन सा डायलॉग बोलता है वो?
कि I saved
नहीं
I saved your career I saved your
that is तो
film
a conversation with them,
Karan,
no?
yeah.
वो उसको भी एक डायलॉग बोलता है राघव को, which is from Rocky Rani.
No, I don't remember.
कुछ ऐसा सेम बैग एटिव कुछ ऐसे करके कुछ लाइन बोलता है, मुझे याद नहीं आ रही एग्जैक्टली.
I remember the Gully Boy.
गली बॉय तो क्रेजी, इट वाज क्रेजी. एंड पता है रणवीर सिंह ने जब गाली दिया ना तो वो फेक नहीं लगा मेरे को, या वो फोर्स फिट नहीं लगा मेरे को. इट वाज सो नॉर्मली तो कोई भी डायलॉग बिना गाली के बोला जा सकता है, ठीक है, बट बिकॉज यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ फोर्स फिट एवरी गाली
क्या
वाज,
गाली थी रणवीर ने बोल
एंड इट वाज सो कट टू कट, लाइक कि भाई मैं ये करता हूँ, अरे मेरे को पता है मैं ये पहनता ऐसे करके. इट्स सो नेचुरल कि तुम बोल सकते हो ये बात. बट आई लव द हाउ both of them had that little conversation about बाबा मानते हैं आपको, like, and he also suddenly gets into the gully boy mode, like अच्छा ये ऐसा. तो I love the वो वाला, so that's a special mention. And worst, I fully found Amir and Salman to be
आमिर एंड राजमौली
नहीं Amir
and
Salman.
अरे यार,
Because again I
that was
thought
fine,
that
यार.
very underused, dude. You have Amir and Salman at your disposal.
That was very funny.
नहीं मुझे बहुत ही मुझे अजीब लगा आमिर का कैमियो. वहां पे राजा मौली के साथ कोई भी और होता, it would have made no difference.
No difference. It was useless.
It was
What the
useless.
point
Like I
of
get
that
the
is-
perfectionist thing that you wanna get कि राजा मौली is also perfectionist. He is also
Maybe they were
perfectionist.
shooting together, so
Like,
and it was like just
I
record
get
some
what
shit.
you're trying to do, but then I think Amir could have gotten like a better cameo, and of course Salman.
Dude,
What's
who
Salman?
expected that Kejo would have a proper role, dude? And he did a
Bro,
good job.
I mean,
like,
I
that's
was
crazy.
not shocked.
Bro, Kejo
It felt like Kejo ने audition दिया
Yeah,
कि यार
correct.
ले ले
Bro,
भाई
yeah,
मेरे को please.
Kejo was so bad that he was good, bro.
Dude, exactly. Because
He was
Kejo
not bad. He was
No,
really good.
No, I
liked
think he
him.
was playing bad. Like he was playing that.
No. I think he was.
मतलब he was playing into being the.
He
Yeah.
was. There
villainous,
is a little bit of still. He's not a good actor in the sense. Kejo,
Yeah.
Okay.
But he was just
Like, he was
playing
fine. He was
himself.
serviceable because he was playing himself.
Yeah.
But like in the sense that he ends his sentences weird. You know what I mean? Like. He
does
he
something
like
extra.
poses at the end of the sentence or
He
something.
pouts
Or
it.
pouts or something. After every sentence he does this, dude.
It's cute.
Yeah.
यार वही ना करण जौहर क्यूट ही तरह है, क्यूट ही एकदम क्यूटी.
और मुझे करण जौहर का cabin
Dude,
देखने
it
मिला.
was
वो
very
मुझे
funny.
अच्छा
When
लगा.
the scene was so then he does that to Asman ke you get your contract shit sorted, okay?
हाँ.
I don't hit her, okay, like that. It's just what the fuck? Like,
Why did it
he does
even
that,
come
right?
in your mind, bro?
I don't know. But he does that to
Asman, yeah.
Okay, and then he gets into the lift, okay, and don't fuck with the movie mafia.
Mafia.
And then he poses.
And then he
Yeah, that
poses,
was like
yeah.
a very
Closes.
overdone. overdone.
Bro, I love.
Nobody does that.
I love that moment जब वो उसको कहता है ना कि इट्स अ करण जौहर फिल्म एंड नोबडी मेक्स लव स्टोरीज बेटर देन, एंड देन पीछे से अनाउंसमेंट होती है करण जौहर.
That's very well timed.
Oh bro,
I saw that moment 3 times because it was very well timed.
and then he just gives a smirk and then he walks out.
Dude, there was one where he did act very well, okay, because it was a close up where the manager, Asman's manager, is buttering him up, but it'll be a Karan Johar film. Karan Johar does,
Yeah,
he does that thing
True,
like,
yes,
oh,
yes.
I am like,
Yeah.
oh shit, you're me.
And again, she's so right. Like if,
Yeah, that's true.
like whoever the fuck is acting in Karan Johar's film
At this point, for sure.
it's a Karan Johar film.
Yeah, at this point.
That's true.
मतलब मेरे अंदर का बॉलीवुड बड़ा खुश हुआ है
हाँ,
शो देख के.
that's
कि यार
true.
मजा तो आ रहा
For
है.
sure, for
थोड़ी
sure.
थोड़ी देर में एक आध को दिखाते रहो
And
ऐसा.
dude, it's so funny. I watched Bads of Bollywood right after watching Jugnuma.
Whoa.
एक मतलब पोलर ऑपोजिट चीजें जो मैं देख कर आया हूँ. बाय वेरी गुड फिल्म.
I heard produced by Anurag Kashyap.
Yes, produced by Amitabh
Yeah.
Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan. कह रहा हूँ
Amitabh
मैं.
Bachchan also, yes.
Anurag Kashyap.
Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan both produced this movie.
नहीं.
Kejo is presenting it.
मैं लिख कर
The
लाया
biggest
हूँ.
movie in the land.
इतने सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं, मैं लिख कर आया हूँ उसके अंदर. इट्स डायरेक्टेड बाय राम रेड्डी, प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय अनुराग कश्यप, गुनीत मुंगिया.
गुनीत मोंगा है पहली बात
मोंगा,
तो
sorry,
मोंगिया
हाँ.
है नहीं.
Mungia is the disease.
इतनी अच्छी एक्टिंग करते हैं ना ये दोनों भी. इनको भी ले लेना चाहिए था.
राम रेड्डी, अनुराग कश्यप, गुनीत मोंगा, प्रताप रेड्डी, सनमिन पार्क. directed by Ram Reddy and distributed by Cinepolis. Very 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 good film.
Okay.
2 घंटे की फिल्म है, around 1 hour 56 minutes की फिल्म है. I loved most of it, like 90% of the film I really loved. 2-3 चीजें थी जो मेरे को थोड़ी खटकी, but then not a lot of people have seen it. Not you guys have seen it.
Yeah.
किसी से किससे ही बात
तो
करूं
मैं किससे ही बात
करूं.
But then it's a very good film. If you get a chance to watch it, if it's still in cinemas when this episode records.
बहुत ही कम लोगों ने देखी होगी यार.
बहुत कम लोगों ने देखी होगी. That's why I'm saying I'll not take that much time on the film. But definitely go and watch it if it's still available. अगर कहीं OTT पे आएगी.
Okay, you've taken too long already. It's okay. I'm just sorry.
It's a very good film. Stars Manoj Bajpayee, directed by Ram Reddy, and producer तो मैंने बताई दिए बहुत सारे.
Didn't Manoj Bajpayee have another project? Oh, we saw Inspector Zende.
Oh bro, yeah, very random,
This is time pass.
very random,
odd,
very random TP.
Very random, very
film.
time pass.
I
Yeah.
mean,
It was time
please,
pass only, please.
It hurt my time. My
No,
time
no,
was
no.
hurt.
It was
No,
time pass. It was
इतनी
fine.
खराब भी नहीं थी
Yeah,
यार.
it was okay. It was
Very
okay.
TP. But anyway, yeah, Bads of Bollywood.
That's Bollywood. Again, a lot of pawai. Okay, let me just point this out. Wait. Okay.
पवई का प्रिंस
Wait,
है ना
no,
जो.
dude. Firstly, the big soda वाला जो sign.
पवई का कोई मेयर वेयर बन सकता है क्या?
नहीं ये है ना पवई का
If only,
प्रिंस.
dude. If only.
आज बुला भी लिया है किसी ने,
Bro,
but वो हम बाद में बताएंगे. बाद में
no, we'll come to that. We'll come to that.
हाँ.
Someone called me the prince of Powai, and a very important person.
We'll tell you.
We'll tell you. That's a great high. That's a great hook. Okay, but okay. तो firstly the soda वाला जो बड़ा सा Hollywood style में दिखा हुआ ना ऊपर, that's the building where Kirti and I go for dinner very often. That's a supreme building.
Yeah, so
Okay.
lame.
So that it looks like that. It looks like a fucking hi-fi Star Wars building.
पीछे लिखा हुआ है क्या सोडा वाला?
नहीं.
अच्छा.
But I remember someone, I forgot who, but some Powai local I was talking to, like a friend of mine around here, and someone had said कि ऊपर उन्होंने Hollywood जैसा कुछ लिखा था. I'm like क्या कुछ भी बात कर रहे हैं.
Oh.
Okay. I'm like
तो सोडा वाला ही लिखा
yeah,
था.
सोडा लिखा
damn.
होगा. I'm like हाँ.
हाँ fair.
So that,
I also remember this.
है ना, someone told us, dude. Who was
I
it?
think Shri.
Could have been Shri, a friend of ours. Okay. Anyway, so that, then at the very end, okay, there are multiple places that Powai is in the background. At the very end, where the reveal happens, okay, no, the reveal to us happened, where Mona Singh meets Bobby's character, okay, that parking lot is also in Powai. उसी का parking lot है. Supreme Building का parking lot. So that's two fucking awesome, great Powai cameos. That was my favorite cameo actually. But also other cool things about the show.
Bobby
dialogues.
Deol, bro. Bobby fucking Deol.
Looking dashing as fuck.
Dapper
Bro,
as fuck,
I would
dude.
say this show used Bobby so much better than even Animal did. Animal
Yes.
So Animal kickstarted it.
kickstarted it. So this show used him very well. His
भाई,
acting
जब
is
वो-
good and natural. Very natural.
भाई जब वो अपने डोले लेके राउंड
ओ
टेबल
भाई।
पे एंटर
भाई।
करता है
भाई,
fuck,
भाई,
और
भाई।
पीछे से भाई
थर-
गाना
थर-
बजता है
थर काँप रहा था।
सोल्जर का पूरा रॉक
मस्त
हेवी
यार।
मेटल वर्जन
हाँ,
ऑफ सोल्जर
मैं सुन रही हूँ और मैं बोल रही हूँ कि सोल्जर है क्या? ये सोल्जर का सॉन्ग ही है
ब्रो
ना.
क्रेजी
Dude, I think they gave Bobby Deol like a hero का entry at least like 5 times in the show.
my mom was
Almost every
also
time.
आज मैं मम्मी से आते हुए बात कर रहा था and we were obviously talking about this and she's like बॉबी हीरो है कि वो लक्ष्य
Correct. Dude, by the way,
And I'm
if
like,
when you see Bobby Deol entering on the show anytime, you know you can take a good 2-minute break because they gotta like slow down on his
पहले
slow motion on his डोले,
ये वाला
on his
मसल
beard.
फिर
Yes,
टांग फिर
फिर उसका
सुट्टा
हाथ का तलवार,
फिर जूते
tattoo तलवार था,
हाँ,
tattoo.
भाई लाइक लिटरली एक पूरा 5-10 सेकंड तो ये दिखाया कि कैसे उसका जला हुआ सुट्टा नीचे गिरता है कैसे
करता है भाई, वो put out करता है
जूता
उसको।
उठा के सुट्टा बुझाता है
हाँ.
ब्रो बहुत
फिर
सही
बच्चे का वो टॉय गिरता है, वो बच्चे को वो टॉय
वहाँ
वापस
toy
देता है।
वापस देता है, हाँ।
महान
क्या कितने बढ़िया है वो।
बट फन मुझे
Fun.
तो मजा
Bro,
आया
यार, मतलब ठीक है।
फीमेल ऑडियंस को पैंडर करते हुए बढ़िया.
इसमें लॉन्डे ऑब्जेक्टिव है फॉर अ चेंज
a lot of like small Easter eggs that the show did so well. Like an average, sorry, not like a more casual fan may not even get it.
हाँ वो उसके आईपैड में सनी का
Message.
में सनी देओल का मैसेज आया हुआ
Correct.
था
और रणविजय का
रणविजय का
message
message
from
था
Amazon.
रणविजय का
Then
मैसेज था
the jail thing with
Yeah,
Aryan.
of course.
Okay, throwaway line.
They did the round table thing.
Yeah, the round table thing
Round table
also
thing.
was very...
The Siddhant and
Siddhant
that
and
one
Ananya.
guy
Pandya.
who was being so humble on the round table while the first round table, जब ये लोग... There was this one guy who was being extra nice.
yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, correct.
I found
That was
it so
Babil.
funny.
Babil? That was Babil,
maybe
right?
Babil, maybe Ranveer even.
Could be
Some
Ranveer.
people
I think
do it
I felt like
extra.
he was Babil.
But it was
Babelish.
so funny.
सकता है,
It
हाँ.
was so funny. I was like, fuck yes.
Yeah, true.
Bro, miss you, Babil, bro. Where the fuck are you?
He's
Please.
doing some.
बाबिल को अब रिलैक्स करने दो थोड़े दिन, आएगा वो कुछ बैंगर लेके.
भाई
उसको थोड़ा ओवरवेल्म हो गया.
Overwhelm हो गया होगा, हाँ, fair.
Then
See how
there were, like,
caring we are, bro,
yeah.
towards people.
Too compassionate.
So there were a few things, okay, that I feel like they could have done a better job of finishing that plot angle or taking it somewhere else where I don't think it did service to where it went. Like that whole...
अपने ईस्टर एग की बात करी तो मेरे माइंड में
Sorry,
जस्ट
sir,
एक आया, हाँ,
Yeah,
वो वाला जब वो उसके फादर की आग वो लगा रहे
Of
होते
course,
हैं.
the K3G Easter egg.
K3G.
Yeah. The exact
The
angle.
exact ऐसा,
Yeah.
पता है जैसे ही वो वाला सीन आ रहा है, लाइक अभी हाथ आएंगे.
अभी
बे.
आने ही है भाई, आने ही है. Yeah. So there were certain plot points that I thought would go a certain direction and went somewhere else, which again did not...
Yeah, like the love
Did
angle.
not like... like... that twist angle again, we'll get to it.
Bhai, we've been
Please don't-
talking about
okay, what?
it for
one
an
more,
hour,
right?
by the
Like
way.
that whole the Jarat Saxena one.
Loved him.
Like I,
I
loved
loved
the
him.
character.
I
He was so
loved him.
very well
I
performed.
loved
I want the
Okay,
call spoofing app.
But how where it went to? He is now the 51% of the owner. Is
Bro,
very bizarre.
again, that's the joke on Dharma.
Yeah.
Oh, that is the joke on Dharma.
Yeah.
They own 51%.
The
They
Pune, the
sold,
Pune,
no?
this
The
so they
Pune
sold
wala.
51% of Dharma, no?
Because
They
they were
sold
loan
them,
money. Yes.
They sold 51%.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Are you sure?
हाँ,
There has been
100%.
some buyout. I don't know about.
Yeah, there is
51%,
there has been
But
a
then
buyout.
at that point in the show has gone
51% दिया या 50% दिया? I think
51%.
मतलब-
51%.
No, not on the show.
नहीं,
He's talking
Karan
about
ने.
Dharma.
Oh, Karan ne. That
कुछ ऐसा ही है. It's a
Majority
very
stake.
close 51, 50, 49 ऐसे ही उसमें कुछ है. But I thought I तो instantly got it that this is a fucking.
that might be it.
हाँ.
But the thing is, for that character, it did not make sense for me. Firstly, for Jaraj's character, and also like I think at that point in the show has moved on from being like a meta take on stuff. The show at that point is the last 2 episodes or so, where it has moved on to like the more regular Bollywood love story.
how we release, how we tell the bastards of Bollywood.
Close
Yeah.
loop तो करना है ना.
हाँ, तो
They
correct,
can't-
but
there
this
cannot
is
be
the
such
closed
adding
loop.
meta stuff ना.
Bro.
So that's what I'm saying. This closed loop, because now it diminishes Freddy as a character in future
But
seasons.
Freddy was to be diminished because he was cocky and arrogant
But
and not
use
doing
him
things
better,
the
man.
right way.
Use him. But Freddy's, dude, what an
Acted
actor.
very well
What an
again,
actor.
yeah.
What an actor, for
that
sure.
whole mustache wala sequence where those guys come to
Yeah.
beat him up
Sign-
and make him
sign
sign.
करवाने के
and he
Love
tries to
those
run away.
guys, by the way.
हाँ.
So
Dude,
funny.
that dude who had that chemistry with Raghav Joyal.
Raghav
Like,
Joyal.
come on,
Crazy,
man.
crazy.
I like that.
Crazy. But bro, we have to talk about
The twist.
The Jalaj character, bro.
Too funny, yeah.
We did, yeah.
Dude, so happy to see him back on the screen. He went to a couple of podcasts talking shit about the industry, and I was like,
Yeah, he did,
भाई
right?
मत कर, भाई please मत
Dude,
कर,
that
वापस
was,
से काम नहीं मिलेगा,
this was
please.
his, so like this was his career arc also, where even after like being a part of the successful
Yeah,
films,
that's what.
he wouldn't get called.
Again,
wouldn't get called.
that in itself was so meta, no?
That तो for sure.
The entire character, and I loved the fact जब वो मनोज पावा के कैरेक्टर को बचाता है, उसने पूरा
basketball.
येलो ट्रैक पहना हुआ है,
Yeah.
जो कसौली टाइगर्स का येलो जर्सी होता है,
And then-
and then
You know, I didn't catch it.
I told her that, yeah.
And
क्या?
then late,
Kasoli
the
the
Koi
yellow
Mil Gaya
thing?
reference. I
Koi Mil
didn't
Gaya
catch it
reference,
at
what the
all.
fuck?
Yeah.
I kept thinking I've seen this guy somewhere.
That's the
Really,
story.
exactly.
That's the story.
That's the story. yeah.
That's his arc.
And then he told me ki the basketball koi mil gaya. I was like, oh right.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And the
Also Jani Dushman. He was in Jani Dushman.
and the way he hits the other guy,
Oh, yeah,
that's
correct.
exactly how he hit Ritik also.
Yeah,
Yeah,
correct,
yeah,
yeah.
A nose पे. Let's teach Rohit some basketball. Bro, I love कि उसने yellow tracksuit पहना हुआ था.
Nice.
The fucking
Dude,
callback
that's what, like,
to that.
these Easter eggs, callbacks,
Yeah.
moments.
And Ranbir Kapoor talking about loyalty.
Yeah, that also correct. Bro, and Ranbir just
Also a
made
good cameo.
Ranbir just made vapes का stock market value just go all the way high
But
up.
वो मिल नहीं रहे ना मुंबई में.
वही तो ना, अब मिलेंगे.
अब आर्क्स के
Black
vape
market अब
आएंगे.
रणबीर कपूर रन कर रहा है black market.
But
Crazy.
so the references all were done nicely. That's
Yeah.
why they were good. And
All
also
that I agree with.
the
Absolutely,
humor was
100%, very
also very not in your face Kapil Sharma humor. It was
Aryan
good,
was
decent humor.
Aryan was like कि ये लो 300 reels.
Low, pakdo.
Dude, also we should talk about
Reels.
Mona Singh and
Oh, yes,
the
nice.
actor who plays her husband.
Nice.
Asman's
I
father.
didn't like Mona Singh actually. I think
No?
she has more potential. They could have used
Oh yeah,
her.
they didn't use
more,
her
yeah.
fully. That's for
Fair
sure.
enough, yeah. But the husband was very well acted. I'm forgetting the actor's name. We'll put it.
Again, भाई क्यों मारा फालतू में उसको यार?
Yeah, वो तो they were playing into it the entire this thing.
पहले सीन में जब बोला तबीयत ठीक नहीं है मैं तभी सब like oh.
Oh,
Okay, so overall, you went away happy, right? I would say.
yeah, I had
Yeah.
a fun day. I
Because-
watched it.
And how rewatchable would you call it though?
No, not
Bro,
Exactly.
clips.
So it's not.
Clips.
Clips are
it's
endless.
Clips and
Endless.
reels.
Dude, even like one single. Dude, dialogues were very well written.
I
I
would
must
just
say.
rewatch the clip of Tamalli Raghav.
भाई मैं कल
आज
से
घंटे का
देख रहा हूँ
बादशाह,
भाई
I'm
वो।
gonna send people घंटे का बादशाह as a meme all the time now, dude.
कल से देख रहा हूँ मैं वो कल से and again बादशाह when the singer बादशाह comes in and he's like
It was funny.
bro he's like कानों से खून आ गया था
भाई, बंद
बहनचोद।
कर भाई।
भाई क्यों बोला बहनचोद क्यों बोला हाँ क्यों बोला कभी ये बोला वॉल्यूम 1 मैंने कहा नहीं बोला ना तो यहाँ क्यों बोला
तुम्हारे सारे गाने अच्छे हैं
हाँ
बादशाह
ठीक है हाँ हाँ जबरदस्ती गाली क्यों दे रहे हो
Dude, the example,
I'm kidding.
a great example of corporate slave labor where the person starts worshipping the boss is Jeezy Boy.
Yeah, bro, Gigi boy,
Okay,
yes.
dude, so toxic. Leave. The company shutting down. Why you want to stick around?
मतलब there was heart there, you know.
He-
There
he-
was a
yeah,
relationship. He
They are
didn't
trying to
leave
show
him.
Freddy is a guy with a heart, but up till now we've not seen that heart.
Yeah.
He's kicking women and shit, dude. That's so
Bro, that
funny.
was so crazy.
That was so-
What the fuck,
It was
bro?
like-
I expect after this,
Huh.
Aryan will, if he's continues directing. Firstly, by the way, people are saying, and we've talked about this, people are saying that Aryan in all the promotional stuff for Bads of Bollywood was quite cool on camera. Like he quite was photogenic on camera.
He's young Shahrukh. He looks like young
so I
Shahrukh.
think it's very well that now there's a more acceptable demand
Of
for
Aryan,
him
yes,
in front of
yes.
the camera. So
And
would be a better way to
now-
go if he
yeah,
goes down that
and
route.
people won't be as critical because the first thing
He's done something
is
like
not
Dil Chahta
the
Hai, you know.
acting. Yeah,
it's like the Farhan Akhtar route in a way.
Very
Yeah.
smart.
So then what I expect if he does acting, he does acting. But if he directs more, it's possible he moves on to go on to direct other stuff.
Of course.
Do you think we ever get a season 2 of this show? Is it
doubt.
even needed?
I don't think
No.
it's needed.
I don't think it's needed.
See, it's not needed.
Yeah, I agree.
This was a good, easy way for him to enter the industry.
Yeah.
He's entered the industry, now on to better things.
Yeah,
better, more logical,
I would
actual
agree.
story-driven
I would agree.
stuff.
I would agree.
He is directing King also, right?
No,
Okay,
Siddharth
sorry.
Anand.
My bad.
Oh, Siddharth Anand is doing
right,
it?
Sid
Yeah.
Anand. Yeah, Deepika has tagged Siddharth Anand.
Okay, quickly then. Let's get to what we've been talking about the entire episode.
twist.
The twist.
पहले बताओ आपको प्रिंस ऑफ पर्शिया किसने
वो
बोला?
बाद में बताएंगे.
Oh, that comes with when it comes with. Okay. Wait.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Okay.
Okay, so the twist of the
twist
show.
of the show is what, Snehil?
Uh,
It's a very bizarre, out of
very
left field
bizarre,
almost.
bro. Very bizarre.
Yeah.
Fucking. They don't even give audio to it.
Yeah.
You just have to lip read it. It's that bizarre.
It's your inherent
I
thought
see.
which,
Yeah,
you,
correct.
which you hope it's not true, but it
Bro,
turns out to be
I'll
true.
tell you a little backstory. ठीक है? So I binged it. I binged the show. थर्सडे को रिलीज हुआ था. मुझे फ्राइडे को ऑफिस जाना था. ऑब्वियसली थर्सडे 12:30 बजे ऑफिस का काम वाम खत्म करके वापस आया. रात को मैंने खाना खाने के लिए जुगनुमा देखने गया. जुगनुमा देख के वापस आया.
Okay.
मैंने शो देखना स्टार्ट कर दिया.
Okay.
एंड आई वाज लाइक कि मैं पूरा देखूंगा साथ में. तो मैं सोया ही नहीं पूरी रात. ठीक है. तो पूरी रात मैंने शो देखा. सुबह उठा, फोन में डाउनलोड किया, रास्ते में जाते जाते देखा. उतनी देर में मेरी एक फ्रेंड है हु इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट.
उसने खत्म कर दिया शो.
उसने खत्म कर दिया. शी इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट हर ओपिनियंस अबाउट सिनेमा एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. ठीक है. तो उसने स्टोरी डाली कि मतलब व्हाट द फक वाज दिस टाइप. ठीक है. एंड आई वाज लाइक क्या
अच्छा तो था.
ठीक तो चल रहा है, क्या टेंशन है.
Yeah.
ठीक है. एंड देन शी गोस, शी इज लाइक वेट टिल द एंड स्नेल, और डू यू वांट मी टू टेल यू द ट्विस्ट राइट नाउ सो दैट यू डोंट वेस्ट द लास्ट फॉर लाइक 3 एपिसोड्स का टाइम दैट यू हैव. लाइक नहीं मेरे को बताना मत कुछ, मेरे को एंड तक देखना है. तो भाई मैंने एंड तक देखा. एंड जब वो ट्विस्ट आया,
You understood?
I was like, oh my fucking god, this
Dude,
is why
it's-
she had posted it. But anyway,
It's definitely a very divisive.
yeah, ठीक है. So
I liked it. मतलब
What?
I don't like the concept. I like the twist. It was a good twist. You would see. In the first episode I saw the interaction between Mona Singh
Twist
and
तो बता
Bobby
दो.
Deol. बता दे ना क्या?
हाँ, ट्विस्ट ये है बेसिकली कि जो दो लीड एक्टर्स के बीच में the nepo
So,
girl
Asman and what's the girl's name?
Isha.
Isha. Asman and Isha.
Asma and Isha.
So Asman is the outsider.
Yeah,
Right?
and Isha is the nepo
Ajay,
kid.
nepo kid. Ajay Talwar's
Ajay
daughter.
Talwar's daughter.
Played by Bobby Deol.
Yes. तो पूरे उसमें वो उसके लिए एक लव एंगल दिखा रहे हैं एंड बॉबी देओल को वो ये दिखा रहे हैं कि एक आउटसाइडर है तो मैं अपनी बेटी का डेब्यू उसके साथ नहीं करवा सकता मैं
The problem is no, like Asman and Isha fall for each other.
fall for each
And
other
hard.
fully and
Like they're running away from like houses or breaking into each other's house to be with them.
हमें कोई वो जैसे वो
Yeah.
डिटेल में नहीं कहती मैंने कहा था यहाँ पे हमारा प्यार कोई नहीं समझेगा
correct.
ठीक है पूरा
Yeah.
फुल वो मोड चल रहा
पर
है
मैं तो तुम्हारे पापा का हाथ
हाँ and then
आशीर्वाद लेके
वो
जाऊंगा मैं।
मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट भी फाड़ देता है कि
Yeah.
मैं तो तुम्हें
Also bizarre angle के साइन
Sign
करते हो
करते
जाएगा।
हो।
आए भाई ऐसा होता है क्या?
अब शादी तो हो ही जाएगी
अरे
ना।
बट एक
Register हो
साइन
गया,
ही तो है
register हो
एक
गया
साइन
ना।
है
Register
पेपर
तो
फाड़ सकते हो कुछ भी कर सकते हो यार
बट एनीवे ठीक है तो पूरा बिल्डअप के बाद अभी तक आप लोग सोच रहे हो कि वो इतना घटिया आदमी है बॉबी देओल का कैरेक्टर कि भाई वो अपनी बेटी को जस्ट बिकॉज वो आउटसाइडर है वो उसके साथ रहने नहीं दे रहा
And you think you know what will happen at the end, right? Because the entire show they've
Yeah.
almost kiss,
हाँ.
but something breaks it.
समथिंग ब्रेक्स देम
Okay?
and
कि
then they're
राघव
like-
जोहल पीछे से आता है कि
हाँ.
अबे चूतियो क्या कर रहे हो something whatever राघव जोहल says.
इमरान हाशमी आगे कहता है ओए वो मेरा काम है
हाँ correct
ठीक है,
before they
ठीक है।
kiss yeah.
फिर उसके बाद फाइनली वो मैं शादी के टाइम पे किस करने वाले होते हैं तो बॉबी देओल शीशा तोड़ के आ जाता है एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा ठीक है एंड देन टुवर्ड्स द एंड दे टेल कि एक्चुअल में
Bobby Deol.
आसमा की माँ जो मोना सिंह प्ले कर रही है और ईशा का बाप
ईशा का तलवार,
जो बॉबी देओल प्ले कर रहा है वो दोनों जीवन में पहले
दुनिया हसीनों का मेला मेले में ये दिल
रिश्ते बना चुके हैं लेट्स जस्ट से दैट एंड जो
And जो आसमान
उसको
है
जो
एक
आसमान
दोस्त जो
है।
ढूंढ रहा था मिल गया
एंड
बॉबी देओल है वो आसमान के पापा है
दोस्ती कर ली उसने एक दोस्ती
ठीक है एंड वो उसके पापा हैं एंड और वो
वो दोनों भाई बहन
और
हैं।
वो
by the
दोनों
way,
भाई बहन है
that
they were
was-
building it through the
Yeah,
entire
correct.
show
Yeah, because Sailab is the movie apparently where this
Yeah.
this song is used in the movie,
Yes.
right? In the show.
in the show yeah
And Sailab 2 is what they're making. So the director Freddie producer keeps watching this song. This is his favorite
Yeah,
song. He keeps
yeah.
playing the song again and again throughout the.
And वो
thing.
कहता है कि
The
वो
payoff is-
बैकग्राउंड डांसर थी उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बन पाई फिर वो उसको कहता है कि राखी बांध दे अगर तेरे को इतनी ही चुल है तो स्टार्टिंग के एपिसोड में
हाँ.
एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट सो या बट सो बिजार पूरे
Yeah, that went that and they were.
एंड डूड इट
No,
वाज लाइक
crazy.
दिस हाँ ठीक है वो अपने वो बॉबी देओल को मारने वाला होता है किसी एक रैंडम चीज से
सॉरी मैं जस्ट देख रही थी दुनिया हसीनों का मेला एक्चुअली गुप्त मूवी का सॉन्ग
हाँ ठीक है तो वो उसको मारने वाला होता है आसमान उसको मारने वाला होता है एंड स्लो मोशन में मोना सिंह पे ऐसा क्लोजअप एंड शी लाइक
बाप है और वो
साउंड भी नहीं है
No
और सब
sound.
कुछ साउंड नहीं है
लिप सिंक है लिप सिंक
if you get it.
बस क्योंकि आत्मा हिल जाती है बिना साउंड के भी आत्मा हिल गई
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
भाई
सबकी-
मैं ऑफिस
Bro,
में था
and- okay, हाँ, sorry.
एंड शी सेज बहुत एंड पता है लाइक ऐसा इनवॉलंटरली मेरे क्या ऐसे निकला मेरे मुंह से एंड देन आई पॉज्ड इट एंड देन आई टेक्स्टेड दैट फ्रेंड आई लाइक ओके नाउ आई गेट इट व्हाट यू वर
Yeah,
सेइंग
correct. Bro, in the very next scene after this, okay, there's like the aftermath of
Yeah.
this reveal is the manager walks up. They're like everyone's sad and like gloomy and all, and the manager walks up to Raghav Johal like, okay, how's Asman doing?
Bro,
Asman
crazy
कैसा चल रहा है?
scene,
And Raghav
crazy
says-
scene, yeah.
and Raghav says, हाँ भाभी बहन निकली और वो दो बाप की औलाद है.
भाभी बहन निकली पिक्चर से निकाल दिया और वो दो
दो
बाप
बाप की
का है।
औलाद है और वो दो बाप का है. तेरे को क्या लगता है कैसा
कैसा
रहेगा?
कर रहा है
और when they meet also after this all reveal the boy and the girl meet and he's like कि अच्छा ठीक है मैं चलता हूँ next time मिलते हैं राखी पे so again first episode में I saw Bobby Deol and Mona Singh meet and they have some awkward tension so I was like oh interesting मैं तभी पहला ख्याल ये आता है आपके दिमाग में कि maybe you know it's
Oh,
their
मुझे
kid
बस लगा
but
कि
फिर मुझे लगा ये they won't go there
Yeah,
यार
right?
of course they won't go there
Yeah.
but they went there
Or they went there.
But
funny
ठीक
था,
है,
मेरे
overall
को
one
funny
time
लगा.
watch, good watch. We have received actually a lot of messages.
Yeah.
Talk about Bad Bollywood.
And
Talk about
I
Bad
would,
Bollywood.
I would for sure. I think all of us would be very interested to see what Aryan does next. For
Yes,
sure, now, yeah.
because for sure, like this is a good first step into the industry.
Yeah.
And none of us are interested to see what Suhana does next, though.
No, I
Sorry,
am
Sahana.
interested
No,
now.
I'm
तो
just
Deepika is also interested.
क्योंकि अब तो वही बचा है एवेन्यू
क्योंकि अब
दीपिका के
वो-
पास अभी दीपिका के एवेन्यूज
King.
और नैरो होते जा रहे हैं
Bro, दीपिका को avenues की कमी नहीं है, bro. She's Deepika Padukone, bro.
for sure
No,
bro
Atley की भी
but
तो
two
film कर
big
रही है ना.
projects
Bro,
get
she
dropped out of
re-
his bad rep for sure.
Bro, she really does not need to fucking even cross the boundaries of Mumbai.
It's true, but it is bad PR still, and over time bad PR can take a hit, dude.
Yeah, but then a lot of people anyway say that the industry down south is a little patriarchal
Sure,
in this,
sure,
and
could
they've
be,
actually
yeah.
been there's a clip of Radhika Apte's old interview that's
But
circulating.
that has gone viral now.
हाँ, मतलब that's also I feel it's seeded for sure.
Yeah,
I feel it's
for
seeded.
sure, dude. Yeah.
But then okay, like we don't know what the actual situation is. There are
Yeah, so we cannot
we
say,
cannot really
yeah.
comment on it. There are high chances
It's
that
very
Deepika.
easy to say कि oh she's being hard to work with
Yeah,
or
it's
whatever.
very easy to say
हाँ.
that.
That's true also.
That's actually like कितना टाइम लगता है ना एक ट्वीट करने में that she's very hard to work at.
Yeah, true. All right, this is the part of the episode where we're talking about Jolly LLB 3, a movie all three of us have seen, and what do we think about it? Let's talk about it. Jolly LLB, guys. Jolly LLB,
Loved it,
LLB 3,
loved it.
Jolly LLB,
Loved
jolly,
it a
jolly, double
lot.
jolly, 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 very jolly,
गया
a lot of
भाई.
jolly.
Very
Very jolly we are.
ऐसा लग रहा है वीकली मार्केट में जॉली का स्टॉल लगा है.
जॉली लो जॉली 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 ले लो जॉली 50 रुपए में एक जॉली 50 रुपए में दो जॉली. All right, I'll do it again. Let's start again.
ठीक है, सही है.
Okay, jolly then it is. कैसी लगी तुम्हें जॉली LLB 3?
It's more like hey jolly jolly.
Hey,
Hey
jolly,
jolly का
jolly.
दिल तुम पे आया jolly.
jolly.
जॉली तेरे लिए चढ़ जाऊं
Yes.
सॉली. वही तो मेरी जान है जान है जान है
Jolly,
जान है.
jolly, yes,
कमल
पापा.
लेमल.
Oh my god.
ओ माय गॉड नहीं होता, ओ माय फ्रेंड गणेशा होता है.
अक्षय कुमार है ना तो oh my god
Get
ही
your-
होगा.
फिर तो ओ माय गॉड 2 होगा ना. अच्छा नहीं 1 में भी तो वही था, सॉरी.
All right, guys. Let's talk about Jolly LLB 3. दोस्तों तुमने भी देखी?
आपको कैसी लगी?
मेरे को so the thing is again I felt it was a movie. It starts funny and then the tonal shift once it kicks in there is almost no humor after that other than Saurabh Shukla's character with the inspector.
But isn't that all the Jolly LLB?
That's
Yeah,
true.
What are you
exactly.
expecting?
That's true but then थोड़ा लगता है कि
हर
जो-
चीज फनी होने की जरूरत नहीं है.
क्योंकि
See,
वो
if you're-
कहाँ
if
से
you're-
लाते humor
it's
उस
a-
point
it's-
पे?
Correct, that's true. But if you're promoting it more as a comedy movie,
They are not.
it was a little missing. I
It's
felt
not
it was
expected
missing.
out of Jolly
That's
LLB
true.
2 for it to be a through and through comedy because
So
it
fine,
can't
I
be.
thought it was okay. Fine. You don't want to nuance answer. Fine, I get it.
बाहर जाओ.
What do you guys think about Jolly LB 3?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी. पता नहीं इस लो.
End of answer. End of answer. Snail, what about you?
So guys, they're about to complete a year of marriage. You can
You get it. You get it.
you can actually
This
see
is a
it
tough time.
unfold on the podcast.
Yes. We need a judge between us. Saurabh Shukla ji. No, I must say a huge standout for me, especially in this in Jolly LB 3 and always in all the Jolly LB, but even more so was Saurabh Shukla. Was a great standout
He always is. He always
Yeah.
has been.
and he was great. in
Saurabh
this also.
and bro, I was so happy with the plot that they picked. I was so happy with how they shot it. I was so happy how they didn't let any of the lead actors feel less important.
That I agree.
Like बहुत
Yes.
मुश्किल होता है अक्षय कुमार और अरशद वारसी दोनों. चलो again you can say that they are not at the same level of stardom. You can say that, but they are still as famous as one can be, right? They are still household names. तुम ये नहीं कह सकते कि एक दूसरे से कम है या और दोनों की कॉमिक टाइमिंग इम्पेकेबल है.
Yeah, yeah.
दोनों की जनरली दोनों की टाइमिंग इम्पेकेबल है.
Back of OG Akshay Kumar.
I swear, I was so happy.
Very
Return
good, yeah.
of OG
That's true.
Akshay Kumar. I was so happy in my heart to see that he was दिल से acting finally.
बहुत अच्छा लगा वो देख के,
Finally.
बहुत
हाँ,
बहुत ज़्यादा
even
अच्छा
in the
लगा.
serious confrontation, the courtroom scenes, you could see the body language so different from the other movies he's doing.
Yeah.
Not as committed here, fully committed, because in your heart you know it's a good script and it will work.
And you know if you deliver, the movie will deliver. And that was the film. And एक पता है एक और चीज़ मैंने एक चीज़ मैंने नोटिस करी जो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, हो सकता है गलत, हो सकता है सही हो, दैट कुछ जो अक्षय कुमार का जो मोनोलॉग था वो मुझे लग रहा था कुछ जगह CGI पे शूट किया गया है.
तुमने पीछे से देखा, पीछे
हाँ,
जब बैक सीन
कुछ जगहें थी जहाँ पे अक्षय का जो बैक सीन है वो अक्षय
कोई
नहीं
बहुत
है.
पतला लड़का, कोई बहुत पतला
बॉडी
लड़का
डबल
था.
तो ठीक से ले लो.
Yeah, correct, bro, correct.
बट एनीवे, बट
it's
जो
okay.
अक्षय की कुछ स्पीच के कुछ पार्ट है जो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि उन्होंने
लाइक बैकग्राउंड भी CGI था.
हाँ, कि बैकग्राउंड उन्होंने कोर्ट का उन्होंने कुछ सीन शूट किए होंगे, वो उन्होंने डाल दिया. देन अक्षय का क्लोजअप लेके उन्होंने अक्षय,
हो सकता है.
बिकॉज देयर वर पॉइंट्स जहाँ पे वो जो वो रिसर्चर नहीं बना फिल्म में, वो जब उसकी तरफ पॉइंट करता है बट उसकी तरफ पॉइंट ही नहीं कर रहा है. लाइक यू कैन सी दैट द लेवल इज नॉट मैचिंग. सो आई एंड लाइक वो पीछे का एरियाज बहुत ब्लर्ड है, बैकग्राउंड इज टू ब्लर्ड, एंड सडनली कट, लाइक देयर इज अ डिफरेंट कट, देन यू कैन सी दैट द ऑडियंस इज राइट देयर. Highly possible, but then again वो होता है ना
especially
कि
with the number of movies Akshay is
Akshay is
doing.
doing.
Yeah.
But then एक वो चीज होती है ना कि जहाँ पे when the movie is good you let go of a lot of things.
Yeah.
And this was one of those instances. Also I realized क्या we always knew, but like दोबारा से स्क्रीन पे देख के ऐसा लगता है कि yes, it makes such a big difference when you have all actors.
Yes.
And like all of them are acting.
Acting.
Even the
I mean,
smallest
like, you mean like all good actors? you
all
mean?
good actors,
All good
yes,
actors,
like
yeah.
all actor, मतलब
Yeah.
हाँ, like
Yeah.
and
कि
when I
कोई
say
Instagram influencer को नहीं ले लिया है
that's why-
eyeballs के लिए.
that's why I didn't say stars. They were
Dude,
all
like even
actors.
the Gadraj Rao sir was great.
Bro,
Ram Kapoor was
मैंने
great.
उनको इतना लंबा मैसेज लिखा है
Bro,
भाई.
मैंने भेजा.
वो आपने भेजा?
उन्होंने तो बोला प्रिंस ऑफ पवई बुला
Thank you पवई के प्रिंस.
Oh wow, nice.
But मेरे इतना लंबा नहीं लगा. Sir, you were great.
Bro, I was so we are fortunate enough to know Gajraj जी पर्सनली, जितना भी हम जानते हैं,
Yeah,
जितनी भी एक लिमिटेड कैपेसिटी में हम जानते हैं,
हाँ.
he is literally the
sweetest person.
sweetest
Yeah, for sure.
person
Yeah.
that I have ever come across.
Absolutely.
You know, when he came on screen, I just told Andriksh it's so surreal because
Yeah,
I've
correct.
met this.
Yeah, dude,
it's
and he is the fucking sweetest.
Extra sweet.
Extra sweet.
He doesn't need to be this sweet
Bro,
at all.
उन्होंने उनका एक BTS,
Yes.
आप BTS तक रुके थे तुम लोग कि नहीं रुके थे?
नहीं
क्या?
नहीं रुके BTS तक.
BTS जो जब वो
post
कास्टिंग आ
credits
रही
में
थी,
होगा.
Oh नहीं.
तो उसमें भी एक सीन था वेयर अक्षय कुमार एंड आई थिंक अक्षय कुमार एंड गजराज जी सेम उसमें बैठे हैं, वैन में बैठे हैं, एंड दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग, ठीक है, एंड देन अक्षय बेसिकली सेज कि समथिंग ऑन द लाइंस ऑफ कि अरे तुमने गजराज जी को तो ये दे दिया, मेरे को तो दिया नहीं, वो सीनियर है तो तुम ये करोगे, एंड देन गजराज जी सेज कि अरे जो छोटा एक्टर होता है ना उसके लिए करना पड़ता है, एंड देन आई एम लाइक भाई दिस इज व्हाट रियल गजराज जी इज लाइक, ही इज so sweet.
He's very sweet.
And the character,
And very funny
the
also, very
funny. He played it so well.
fucking
He played it well,
character that he was playing.
Yeah, you
forgot.
hated him very
I
much.
forgot.
Bro,
I
yeah.
was so good.
forgot completely
They're
that
so
it's
good.
him,
Yeah,
and I was
swear.
hating
Yeah.
his guts.
Dude, when he turns around to the media and says ki about the affair
The
wala
affair,
thing,
yeah.
I was like, Gajraj ji, this is not you.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
मेरे के साथ ऐसे नहीं हो रहा था.
What are you doing?
Not my Gajraj.
Bro, nahi, I like crazy. I was very happy with the film. And the way they everything.
Everything
was
was
definitely
good.
Everything.
Arshad
good
and
watch,
Akshay ki
for sure.
chemistry was so good.
Dude, I
man.
wanted to do more movies together, man.
Yeah,
That would
so
be nice.
good. They were
Yeah.
so good together. You know, they came on an episode of Big Boss.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, abhi
on the
recently,
weekend
हाँ.
episode, okay? And clearly they were not given a script, okay? They were hosting because Salman
Yeah.
was not present. So they were present
He's
throughout the
shooting
episode.
Weekend का वार वो कर रहे थे.
Galawan.
हाँ, तो उनको कोई
क्या?
script.
Oh,
He's shooting for Battle of Galwan. No?
Oh,
In
okay,
Ladakh,
that's
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Okay.
One of my friends is in the crew.
Oh, okay.
Okay, cool.
तो वो आए दोनों, उनको कोई स्क्रिप्ट नहीं दी उन्होंने। सलमान को तो वो कान में बताते हैं क्या बोलना नेक्स्ट वर्ड, बट उन दोनों को
She's such a hater.
Subtle hater.
I'm not a hater, I watch Big Boss.
Yeah, and she likes it when Salman does a good job also.
I
चलो,
cheer
फिर ठीक
for
है.
him, yeah. But whatever they came and उनको कोई स्क्रिप्ट नहीं दी उन्होंने क्लियरली, बिकॉज वो ऐसे कर रहे हैं, वो फ्री
improv
स्टाइल
कर
कर
रहे
रहे हो। और फिर भी वो इतने फनी फन लग रहे थे। अरशद वारसी का गला भी खराब था तो भी
खास ले
हाँ, तो भी like, तू बोल and I'm like yes please Akshay just keep this essence in your movie and I'll be so happy, and it was there.
It was there.
Yeah,
Those one-liners were there.
Yes.
I particularly loved one frame जहाँ पे towards the end where पूरा वो लाठी चार्ज वगैरह हो चुका है and then they are coming to
They on the bike.
स्कूटर चेतक टाइप स्कूटर पे है वो,
Arshad
ठीक
is
है?
already like
No.
is injured. That one.
When Akshay is getting Seema Biswas to the theater कह रहा हूँ, to the court,
yeah.
उधर से गजराज जी की कैरेक्टर की मर्सिडीज आ रही है एंड इधर से वो कट मार के मर्सिडीज के आगे होता है एंड द फ्रेम इज कि अक्षय सीमा विश्वास और उसके पीछे मर्सिडीज और पूरा कॉन्वॉय. आई वाज लाइक वाओ डूड, व्हाट अ गुड फ्रेम.
Also, I loved one moment a lot जब उसको वो 40 एफिडेविट्स कराते हैं और फिर वो बोलता है कि शिट ये पैसे मिले और अक्षय कुमार रो रहा है और उसका सेक्रेटरी बोलता है जाओ यहाँ से मुजरा दिखोगे क्या, तो अक्षय
नहीं रुको कर
And then there was also उसी सीन के जस्ट बाद वो like all the lawyers जब वो एक जा रहा होता है तो there is one bald guy who turns like अबे जाना गंजे.
Dude, yeah, like those overweight jokes to his sidekick.
Yeah,
He's like, अबे हट जा मोटे देख रहे उसको. Then about his wife saying के अबे वैसे तो 7 रोटियां पराठे खा जाती है.
200 ग्राम वजन नहीं घटा शादी के बाद. So funny भाई.
वो लगता है कभी कभार ये अक्षय ने इम्प्रोव किया है.
हाँ तो अक्षय ने आई थिंक अपनी कई इंटरव्यूज में बोला, कहता है देयर आर अ फ्यू लाइंस जो मैं जो स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं होती.
Famously,
पुष्पा नालिया.
रूपा नालिया.
रूपा नाली.
Also that moment जब भी अरशद वारसी fucks up और उसके ये जो पेटिशन है उसमें स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स होते हैं और वो कॉल आउट करता है और अक्षय कुमार जब हंसता है ना भाई उस पर मेरे को इतनी हंसी आती है. So good.
वैसे ये अक्षय when he laughs like दांत बंद कर.
मसूड़े एक्सपोज.
अच्छा यार बहुत अच्छा. आई हैड अ वेरी गुड फील. और मुझे भाई इट्स अ लॉन्ग फिल्म, इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल छोटा लेंथ का फिल्म नहीं है.
I was very interested.
But it didn't feel like that long. I think it's 2:20 something.
इतना रिडेम्पशन फील हुआ ना जब वो हारे. मेरे को खुशी इतनी दिल में ठंडक पहुंचेगी. yes.
Dude, there is a movie, a little oft forgotten movie called
निशांची.
नहीं. Oh yeah, oft missed. Called बत्ती गुल मीटर चालू.
Oh bro, it's 2:40 or 40 by the way. And Shahid Kapoor, Shraddha Kapoor and Devendu.
Yeah.
Yes, Devendu. Yeah, he
That
dies.
also like a
also
good court drama.
Yeah.
It is a good movie actually. I like it. उसमें गाना भी है जो मुझे बड़ा पसंद है.
Okay.
बाद में बताऊंगा. Comments में बताऊंगा.
बाद में comments में. Okay, ठीक है.
उसके बहुत सारे गाने फेमस हैं.
अच्छे गाने.
अच्छा मेरे गाने
बहुत अच्छे गाने हैं उसके.
गाने कोई भी याद नहीं मेरे को, पर मूवी
मुझे भी नहीं याद बट थे बहुत अच्छे जब आए थे.
What other courtroom dramas are better than
उसका उन्होंने just by the way
आपने इनको ravishing बुलाया.
उसका
कोई औरत.
Yes.
उसका वो फक क्या बोलने वाला था मैं. शिट. उसने अक्षय कुमार ने उसका आशीष अंचलानी शाहिद कपूर ने आशीष अंचलानी के साथ प्रमोशनल वीडियो किया था. मीटर गोल बत्ती whatever the fuck. ठीक है.
बत्ती गोल मीटर
चालू. हाँ उसका वो बिजली का बिल तेरा बाप भरेगा. Have you seen that video? Okay, अच्छा हो गया.
I have faint memory of this. I blocked it but
कोई बात नहीं, कोई टेंशन नहीं. Missing out on nothing.
एक चीज मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी कि they kept the original cast. They didn't change the vibes because they were not as popular.
Bro, crazy.
I
Loved
agree.
it. Yes.
Dude,
Also, Amrita Rao आप क्या खाती हैं? अगर आप ये
correct,
देख रही हैं तो प्लीज बताएं मुझे.
Crazy. She hasn't aged a day, man.
वो विवाह अभी कर सकती है.
Yeah,
Same
really, absolutely.
She was looking very good. And also
Also, Uma looked great. She always looks great. I find her stunning.
Yeah,
Uma is stunning.
Subhash Kapoor is the director and he's stayed with the film. Like they've not changed the writer. I think Subhash ने ही लिखी भी है. बट मतलब एक चीज थी, अगर तुम सबको सेम रख रहे हो तो यार वो जो इन लोगों के असिस्टेंट्स प्ले किए थे फर्स्ट मूवी में उनको भी सेम ही रख लेते।
अरे वो मुझे याद ही नहीं थे,
मुझे
तो
भी याद
मेरे को
नहीं।
लगा
ओ
वही
अच्छा,
है, मेरे
नहीं
को
वो
लगा
नहीं,
वही
वो
थे।
नहीं है। बीरबल तो उसने बीरबल तो पक्का कोई और था। एंड
अच्छा नाम सेम थे, एक्टर
हाँ नाम सेम थे, एक्टर लगते
यही
बस।
तो नहीं चाहिए था।
तो वो भी कर लेते तो बढ़िया रहता, बट चलो कोई बात नहीं। बट ठीक है, आई थिंक अगेन दिस वाज अ सीक्वल दैट वाज वेरी वेल मेड। I loved the Saurabh Shukla का पूरा ट्रैक।
And Bindya Nair.
शिल्पा नाम है। She is
Chanchal Chautala.
चंचल चौटाला,
I
yes.
think that was also meta only, no? Because Chautala और Chautala
वो
was
कमल
in the
चौटाला,
Chak De.
को कोमल चौटाला थे ना वहाँ।
yes.
Oh, in Chak De.
चक दे, बट इट वाज नॉट,
was
उसका नाम
not
तो बिंदिया
maybe.
नायर था, बट उसकी एक
अच्छा।
टीममेट थी
Oh,
वो
अच्छा।
छोटी।
कोमल चौटाला।
Okay, okay.
ठीक है, बट शिल्पा इज अ वेरी गुड एक्ट्रेस बाय द वे।
Yeah, so stunning also.
She's a
my
very
God.
very good actress. She's done a lot of theater, कहानियाँ करके, I think कहानियाँ करके एक YouTube चैनल है, उस पे शिल्पा की, मेरी माँ का नाम भी शिल्पा है, उसने उस पे शिल्पा की वो है, क्या कहते हैं, एक पोएम रिसाइट कर, कविता रिसाइट कर रही है वो, रिटन बाय पीयूष मिश्रा। गधा कहता है गधी से, मतलब इट्स अ पॉलिटिकल पोएट्री ऑब्वियसली, पीयूष मिश्रा ने लिखी है, बहुत अच्छी वो है। पता नहीं मैंने क्यों बताया ये, बट
Cut that out, Zigar.
वो डिनर सीन भी बहुत अच्छा था, वो वैलेंटाइन डिनर।
Yeah,
that's
so
funny,
funny.
They just ran away without me.
बहुत अच्छा था वो।
So yeah, great.
And I would actually love to see Shilpa in other films as well, dude. Like she's a very very good actress. She's a stunning actress. Please give her, like, जिस तक भी ये पहुंच रहा है, please get her more role.
So up till now,
more
all three
work,
Jolly
dude.
LLBs have kind of worked at the box office.
Yeah.
Is this one working also?
I
The
mean, I
reviews
don't
are
know,
crazy.
yeah, but I don't know the first two. Did they work in the
Like
at the box
they worked
office?
enough to get a third one made. You know, that's all it really takes.
Or maybe it was like after the movie
Could
they
be.
got recognition.
Could be.
No. जब भी रिलीज जब रिलीज हुई है तब तारीफ ही मिली है जॉली को।
अच्छा, okay, good.
So wait, so now there's gonna be a fourth then.
They very well could be.
And so easily because it's just one case after
Yeah.
other. So keep doing
वो
it, man.
एक रियल लाइफ केस लेते हैं और उस केस से मिलता जुलता
कुछ बना देते हैं हम।
कुछ एक बना देते हैं।
Correct.
And again, the plot that they took for this film very much needed, like a topic. Again,
Yeah,
they
great.
left out a few details जो probably मतलब like politics and all
Sure,
that.
yeah.
Obviously.
But of course, अब है touchy तो
हाँ,
दुनिया touchy है।
तो
या
क्या
उसमें
कर
इतना
सकते
भी
हैं?
बोल रहे हैं, VM विजय माल्या को VM भी बोल के
Yeah.
कॉल आउट कर दिया,
Yeah.
वो भी too much.
And Swiggy, Zomato को Ziggy, Zomato
गोमैटो किया। एक को तो उसको तो गोमैटो
और
किया
Ziggy
था।
बोला था,
और
Swiggy
Ziggy,
उसको
हाँ।
Ziggy बोला। हाँ,
बस क्या Gen Z लोग
and I loved how they ended the film with nothing but her cries. And
Yeah.
कैसे वो बकरी जो है वो उसके गोद
Yeah,
में
that was
oh,
that really
bro.
hit me actually when she
Crazy.
cried. No, I was like, fuck, too
Who?
much.
What?
जब
When
वो
she
रोई
cried.
ना,
जब वो रोई,
last-
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
You were died, no?
I also
In
I
our
heard
time.
that.
दर्द
I understood
हुआ
what
दिल
she's-
में बहुत
I
था।
understood the sentiment.
Yeah, but no, very very good film. If it's obviously इस episode के time पे it will be running in the theaters near you. Definitely go and check it out.
Yes.
Very
A good watch.
a very good watch, a well deserved film, and it serves as a reminder that if you have a strong script, if you have good actors, if you don't ask for Instagram followers while you are casting, you can actually make a good product. So
So it's been a good week for movies and
Yeah,
shows
fun.
and all, for entertainment.
Also,
right?
dude, it's been a very good week for me.
इन लड़कों को नहीं पता बट द समर आई टर्न प्रिटी का भी फिनाले आया। क्या
Bro,
finale
मैंने
था?
अब एक मीम देखा उसका
मस्त,
कि द समर आई टर्न प्रिटी इज द इंग्लिश वर्जन ऑफ मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन। इज इट
Yeah,
ट्रू?
Yeah, that's exactly right.
It's
Yeah,
the
अच्छा,
essence
okay.
वही
That's
है,
exactly
of
right.
course.
Okay,
But
fair.
क्या फिनाले था गर्ल्स, यस। और मूवी भी आ रही है ये।
नाइस। मैंने वो भी देखी, लाइक दिस वीक वाज वेरी गुड फॉर मी। मैंने जुगनुमा देखी, वेरी गुड. I will probably be watching Nishanchi tomorrow, and then I watched Bads. I watched this, क्या कहते हैं,
फन।
Jolly.
अब 2 अक्टूबर को देखेंगे।
Demon
सनी
Slayer.
This is the
संस्कारी।
summer you turned pretty.
iPhone 17 Pro Max got released.
Oh, wow, big day for you.
Big day for me.
Wow.
उसकी, क्योंकि मैं ऑरेंज फोन नहीं खरीद सकता तो मैंने ऑरेंज टी शर्ट खरीद के पहना.
एप्पल यूजर हो क्या?
हाँ
he has both an Android and an Apple.
हाँ ऑफिस के लिए एंड्रॉयड
फोन कौन रखता
भाई
है
जितने मैसेज आते हैं ना ऑफिस के उसके हिसाब से तो मुझे 2 रखने ही पड़ेंगे.
Snail hates his job, guys.
No, I love it.
Please tell his office people.
I've just started a new
so
job.
they fire him.
हम देखेंगे सनी संस्कारी की तुलसी कुमारी
Bro,
on
थोड़ा
2nd
underwhelming
October.
ट्रेलर नहीं था
बहुत ही
उसका?
It's okay,
underwhelming.
मैं तो फिर भी
और
Like
you
they've
know what's gonna
revealed the
happen,
story.
You know?
I knew the story by the teaser only.
Yeah.
हाँ वही
But it's
मतलब.
okay, मैं तो फिर भी
But I'm more excited to watch Varun Dhawan in the usual element that he
the
is.
usual Badri vibe.
Badri vibes.
Badri
yeah.
Humpty, Badri / Humpty /
So
Sunny.
Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari.
Yes.
Are the names of the 4 people you think, or only of the 2
No,
people?
the other
Sunny and
no,
Tulsi.
they are Ananya
Kumari.
and something else. They revealed in the
So
trailer.
none of the names have nothing to do with anything.
No, he's
What?
Sanskari and she's Tulsi Kumari. Tulsi Kumari is a full name and surname.
मतलब जानवी का नाम तुलसी है
I
और
thought it
उसका
was
नाम
Sunny.
सनी है.
Sanskar, Tulsi and Kumari.
इतना थॉट नहीं डाला है वरुण धवन
कुमारी
के
किसका
पिक्चर
नाम
में.
होता है वे?
किसी का भी है.
कुमारी होते हैं नाम.
हाँ भाई.
फर्स्ट नेम
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
पता नहीं कौन सी दुनिया में रह रहे हो तुम लोग.
कुमारी
मेरे
कुमार
universe में तो नहीं.
तलवार.
नहीं कुमारी होते हैं नाम.
अच्छा यार चलो end of
But
the
ठीक है.
episode
Yeah,
guys.
end of the episode. कितनी
You-
से बकबक कर रहे हैं हम.
We've
एक
been
घंटा
around for a
40
while
मिनट.
and we'll be around for a few more episodes still to come. I don't know. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. This was an
Yes.
awesome episode of Pop Conversation. I've been Anand Shakkar. This has been
Snail and Nija.
This has been.
कीर्ति सिन्हा टक्कर.
Please check out everything else that we're doing and see you again next week. Bye bye.
I love how you do this. Check everything else that you're doing. Everything else.
Everything else.
ऐसा तो ऐसे शक्तिमान की तरह हम लोग सब इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं जैसे लाइफ में गिनती के 1.5 शो हो रहे हैं हमारे पास. Check out everything else that we are doing.
You get it, यार. Enjoy life. अरे मजा नहीं.
But
सब.
please spread the word. Actually, if like it
Spread the word.
it would really help us if you recommend us at other places and we get
Spread
more work from
everywhere
there.
around, man.
We might then be able to give 4 movie tickets for all the. We don't.
Bye bye.
Achha, okay,
See you.
bye.